Oh, okay. We're recording. Okay. So I already record. Thank you, Andrea Surla, XCCM on the top. What's your latest win trade, and will you create your own meme coin? No meme coin for now. Like, there's no personal meme coin. My personal latest win trade. Okay, my personal latest win trade. I will say, Kate, CATE, Kate, of course, CATE. Hey, I want you to ask about your thoughts on selfie. Can you go higher than now? Okay, about charts, I will get into it much later. Focus on new people that are sending message first. So, okay, I just want to say that I will go through this message right here, this particular message. So if you want to ask question, oh my god, what happened? So if you want to ask question, put it there. Okay, put it there. I will answer all the question. So okay, let me get into the first 30 minutes of my own session, that what I want to teach, what I want to give, what I want to provide for today's session. I am gonna share with you guys something very, very interesting, like I shared last week. Okay, last week I shared to you guys about how correlations between meme liquidity, altcoin liquidity into meme liquidity, and how it can turn back going the opposite way, like how the rotation from meme itself will go into altcoins. Okay, I already teach you guys about the correlation here, but let me just get it once again. Like, okay, for example, Popcat was launched in December, January, February. I focus on these 3 months, okay? On December, January, February. For memes, December, January, February. 3 months. I want you guys to focus on these 3 months. December, January, February. These 3 months, okay? And I'm just gonna repeat these 3 months over and over and over again. Now let's look into memes in this first 3 months. Memes in this first 3 months. December, January, February. Popcat bottom in December, January, and February. And then it starts to pump 100x from there. December, January, February. Okay, it's fine. Let's look into Giga. Giga was launched in January, and it's like at the bottom there. And it's already pumped. What's that? 450x? Something around there. Let's look into not with Punky. Let's look into Punky. Punky was launched in December, January, February. It was at the bottom in January. So look how much it pumped. 70x. Okay, and they top mostly in July and August. So just based on this, memes were at the bottom during December, January, February. December, January, February. Memes were at the bottom. That's when the best time to buy memes. Okay, I'm showing you based on the leaders chart based on the leaders. I'm not saying about the particular other memes that are still pumping. I'm talking about memes that are running the hardest. Let's look at Mog, for example. Let's look at Mog. Okay, Mog was back then, but still, in January and February, it was at the bottom, and now already pumped 70x. Top in July and August. So I can say this is a local top because they already down mostly 80% from the highs. So I can say it's a top, okay? So now, just based on those 3 months, December, January, February, okay? I'm going to just keep repeating this so that it was stuck in your head. December, January, February, memes were at the bottom. And they already topped in July and August, around this month, this previous 2 months, okay? Based on chart. I'm saying based on chart. I'm saying based on statistic. So now, because most of the meme already run the hardest, they already run. Okay, they already run. Now let's look into altcoin. What happened on altcoin? Okay, on altcoins, what happened on altcoins in December, January, February? Okay, let's look at. While memes at the bottom, where were altcoins in those 3 months? I will look into let's look into Sui. Okay, I'm looking into Sui right now. When December, January, February, where was it? Sui was over here. Sui was over here. This is January, February, over here. They were at the top. Where were memes? Memes were at the bottom in December, January, February. Alts were at the top. Right? Right? Okay, it's fine. This is the one chart. Let's look into the other chart. Let's look into TIA. Where were TIA during January and February? It was around here. Look, it was at the top. Memes were at the bottom. TIA was at the top. This is altcoin. Let's look into other charts. Let's look into Vanry. Where was it in December, January, February? February, it was here. It was pumping. And they already top. Now they're down, mostly. Again, let me show you other charts. INJ. Where was INJ in February? It was January here, February here. It was at the top, while meme at the bottom. In the same month, memes were at the bottom. Memes were a very great opportunity to buy earlier this year. Altcoins at the top. So you can see this shift, okay? Let me just give example. While Sui were topping, Popcat were bottoming here. You see? So now, when Popcat starts pumping to July top, Sui was dumping. You see? Are you guys seeing this? Okay? I just want it to make sense for you guys. So now you see the flow of liquidity. This is with proof. I'm showing you with proof. Okay? With altcoins. I'm not saying about Sol, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I'm talking about altcoins beside those top 3. So the shift from altcoins going into meme, it happens. So now let's talk about what's happening now. So now memes already topping around July, around August. So what's happening to altcoins? Altcoins is, who is that? Let me just, okay, someone just opened their mic. It's fine. So again, like I said, in July, what happened in July? July, where was most of the meme coin were like having local top. Now let's look at Sui. Where is it in July? Is that a joke, bro? So let's look into the July. So July, it was around here. Okay, this is the log chart. Let me just change. Okay, it was at the bottom here, while Popcat at the top. This was at the bottom. Let's look into a different chart. While Giga were hitting highs around August, where was SEI? August, SEI was right here at the bottom. You see? At the top, at the bottom. You see the shift? Like when altcoin top, meme coins bottom. And then now meme coins at the top. Where is altcoin? Altcoins at the bottom. So don't you think the shift is going to be different or it's going to be similar? Like the liquidity will flow back. Altcoins will have it time to pump. Okay, I said this last week, and most of the altcoins are already up. Like I'm looking at it. TAO last week I mentioned it. It's already up. Sui was one of the strongest. Last week I was talking here. It was up. SEI was just barely moving. TIA barely moving. Very is already moving. What's more? Zero, not this. What's more? LNQ, see, it's already moving. Most of them are already moving. Citus, already moving. So most of them are starting to move. But I'm not saying it's going to be like crazy move right away. It's going to start moving slowly. It's going to start moving slowly. So this amazing shift in the market is really, really important. So let me just look at some of the questions that are seeing here. Will you teach leverage trading? I don't. I won't, because I will not do that. How you find coins with potential? Okay, I'm going to look into that in a bit. What happened to Wimpo? Where to join? Look into. Yo, Bobby, thank you for all you do. Look forward to learning. What country are you recording from? I'm recording from South Korea. Bro, you're handsome as fuck. So I'm recording from South Korea. Got study something, or I'm cook. How you provide the copy, the VC copy? All right, I'll do. So, howdy, is this sexy? Yeah. So this amazing shift in the market is really, really important. It's what I want to point out. So with that, I'm gonna share another alpha play on altcoin. Okay, I'm gonna share another alpha play on altcoin. So how many of you are here? Like 78. Okay, I'm gonna share some good play. The play I'm looking at right now, you guys already saw it. It is Zagaro. Okay, I'm gonna tell you why. Why is Zagaro? Let me just remove everything first. Hide. Okay, why is Zagaro? Okay, Layer 0 is an interoperability protocol. It's a bridge. Okay, it's a bridge that connect multi-chains. You can bridge from BNB to Solana to Ethereum to AVAX to whatever you want. Okay, to whatever you want. It is Layer 0. Where's the website? Is it this one? Nah, it's not this one. Wait, which one is the website? Let me just show you guys. Yeah, it's this one. So it's like omni-chain. It's like multiple chain kind of thing. So I'm looking into this project. Back then, I was doing it for airdrops. Okay, Layer 0 airdrops. But right now, what I'm very interested in is how Layer 0 protocol, it's gonna like grow so much higher after the release of the token. And the main reason why I'm looking into Layer 0 is because of the tokenomics. The tokenomics is really, really interesting. You see, project like this, every freaking project, especially big project like this, they receive fundings from VC. They receive like big amount of funding. It's like Layer 0 received like millions of dollars into funding. So I know Layer 0 was huge back then. Hence why I farmed the airdrops. But now, after the airdrop has been released, there's nothing much to do except for the VC waiting for that token to be released. And when I look into the tokenomics, token unlock, the tokenomics is very interesting because there won't be any release until July 2025. Let me pull up the chart. Let me pull up the statistics for you guys. Layer 0, token unlock. This is a token unlocks website. It shows you everything about token being unlocked, every single token. It won't hide. Of course, there is a paid version of it, but I just used the free one. So there is currently no emission of new token for Layer 0. Okay, that's good. It says here 62% is being locked. Okay, now you're looking, oh, there's like 62% being locked. So when will it be unlocked? how much is already unlocked, and when will be the rest being unlocked. So now you want to see that. That's why I look at the vesting schedule. You see here, vesting schedule. There won't be any release until 2025 July. Let me just use this one. Another one is I use is CoinMarketCap. Was looking into ZK. Now let me look into Zigaro. Token unlocks. Okay. You see, unlock is 25%, 250 million Zigaro. What is that? That is purely for community. All this color here, like I don't know what's it, orange. All this orange here is for the community. It's already launched. It's the airdrop. Okay. So from now until June, around June, July, around there, will be a token release. So there's no new supply coming into the market. There's no new supply coming into the market. Right now, the token supply just have 110 million market cap, and 10 million ZRO, layer 0, only 110 million. And the current market cap is sitting at 400 million market cap. That's super low for a project like this, which is having, I don't know, FDV of about 20 billion FDV. Right now, the FDV is at 4 million FDV, 4 billion FDV. So that's a huge difference, a huge upside for layer 0, especially when these people, when this VC, this venture capitalist, this investor, they want their money back. They want their money back. So it is very, very highly likely that the token is going to pump prior to unlock. It's going to pump before unlock. Okay? And I'm going to show you proof. Why is this going to happen? Why is that layer 0 is going to pump before unlock? Because all this VC, they want their money. They want their money back. So they want profits with it. So before the unlock happen, the coin will likely pump. This happened to Solana, if I'm not mistaken. Let's take a look. Back in 2021. Okay? Look at this. In 2020, Solana was launched with some vesting schedule, but then you see this big rise in supply. Okay, for those of you who are new here, I am looking at a vesting schedule. I'm sorry that I jumped too quick on this. I know some of you guys are new here, and there's like new members here. Right now, I'm looking at a vesting schedule. What is vesting schedule? Vesting schedule is a schedule of the token release. When coin is being released in the market, it doesn't just release all the supply at once. They release maybe 25% of the supply. Then every people want to know when will be the next token release. So every project must have a vesting schedule. Okay, they must control the supply slowly so that it won't dump straight away when it was launched. It's similar to meme coins when the dev holds 50% of the supply. Okay, that's a vesting schedule kind of thing. Okay, they hold the supply and they wait to be released. Okay, either it is being used for marketing, either it's being used for projects, either it's being used for airdrops, for community, blah blah blah. It doesn't matter. It must have a proper vesting schedule. Okay, vest. It's like a release of token. So on Solana, so let's look at Solana chart. Compared to this, Solana in 2020. Okay. Solana was launched in 2020. Okay, August 2020, and it was dropping like always. Any tokens that were launched was going to drop in the prior of bull market, and then you see here this big, huge supply coming into the market in 2021, 1st of January. 2021, 1st of January. And then from there, the supply increased so much from 200 million, from 150 million, all the way to 2 billion. That is such a huge supply coming into the market. So now let's look at the impact into the chart. From 2020, it was released into 2021. What happened to Solana? What happened to Solana? Okay. Solana pump. Surprisingly, Solana pump. It pumped all the way until November 2021. So even though there was a release on supply during the first few run-ups, it was able to accumulate here before 2021 comes, then it starts to pump. 50x, 50x, 58x from the highs here. That's when the Solana supply starts to increase, going higher and higher. So with layer 0, I'm seeing the same thing. Before the release of the vesting of the token, we can see layer 0 pump to new all-time highs. Okay, to new all-time highs. Now with a similar supply compared to Solana, it's going to be very interesting for layer 0. How much the VC will pump before the token release. So now you're asking me, what's my personal target for layer 0? What's my personal target for layer 0? So layer 0 remind me of DOT, Polkadot. Polkadot back when it was having, see here, after the release, it's consolidating around the same price like layer 0, $4, $3. It was bottoming in $3.8, and then it starts to go up, breaking highs at $6, and then it starts to pump 10x from there back to the $50 range. And maybe the tokenomics is not the same, but just the price range is kind of similar, you know. So layer 0 is kind of consolidating similar to Polkadot. And of course, if the target remains around $30, 10x from the current price at $50, that would be another 10x from layer 0 itself. And what you need to do is you just need to see and you just need to sell before the supply coming into the market. That's what you need to do. You just need to buy and you just need to hold. So that's the view of layer 0 here. So this is my alpha play for altcoins. Okay, it won't be easy to hold, but it will be worth it. So now what's my plan? What's my plan for layer 0? So my plan on layer 0 right now, I look at the chart. Of course, I love charts. That's all I do all day. I just look into charts. What's my plan? And I'm seeing a pattern here. I'm seeing a triangle pattern. This is a very, very bullish pattern, of course. So now there is two things. It's either gonna be breaking out from here. Okay, it's gonna start consolidating, going to the zone, and then it starts going to go sideways, and then it starts going to go break out. And this is where you can see the impulsive move coming into the market. It's going to consolidate, okay, in September, October, it starts going to consolidate. Okay, you won't just pump straight away because we know the rate cut's going to come. So it's either this or if the rate cuts happen, if something bad happened to the market, especially with rate cuts coming, especially with bunch of news coming into the market, that's going to affect the market, of course, we can see another shakeout. We can see another shakeout coming into the lows here, starts to bottom, and then we can see another run up by end of the year. So this is the play that might happen. See, it can bottom around here, breaking down, shaking you out below, and then it starts to pump. That always happen. That always happen to any coin. They will shake you out and then it just rip right on your face. So just based on this plan that I make, for me, of course, and of course for you guys, if you guys want to take it the same way, how do I play this out? Of course, I will personally, for example, maybe if I have $1,000, okay, I will put maybe 150 into the token. I will wait into what's going to happen next 2 weeks. If it starts to, showing a sign of strength, I'm just going to start going into it, like putting another $500, putting another 200, putting another 200s. If it starts to break down, I'm going to start to DCA. I'm going to start to put some more funds into it. Like I can have allocations, maybe 2,000, maybe 5,000 into it. Then I'm going to start scaling in. I won't just buy 5,000 straight away. That's going to be a bad choice. That's going to be a bad choice. Okay, you are a trader. You're not a predictor. You're an analyst. So that's what you do. So based on this is my alpha play for Layer Zero. This is my game plan. This is my reasons, and I share everything now. So thank you for like listening to this VC, and thank you for coming in. There's like 64 of you here. So that's my plan for Layer Zero. Okay. So now let's look into some questions maybe people have been asking regarding this. What's happening here? Why is it not loading up? Hello. It's not loading up. Let me just look into my phone here. Let's look into my phone. What's the questions you guys have? If you guys have any question regarding this, answer me right away. Someone asked how I get money to invest. You gotta work. You gotta work. Okay, you gotta work. Yes, thanks for this, XC. Wow, great advice. Going all in into ABCDE. What's more? What's more? Okay. I don't know why mine is not showing up. But yeah. So there's like XCs, right? No question. Nah, I can be wrong. Okay, of course I can be wrong. Just want to say it to you guys. I can be wrong. Okay, so this is not a financial advice. This is just what I found. This is just for education. Okay, if you guys can relate to it, if you guys can make sense from it, then take the information, do what you want with the information. Okay. Just what I've been following for a while now. I changed my strategy for the better after reading your insights. No to pre-sale, no to celebrity coins. Okay, good. Something is not loading up. I cannot load the chat. I don't know why. So what's my thought on Wolf? Okay, I'm gonna look into that. Okay, yeah, I can load it up. Finally, oh my God. I will look into that. Honest question. I'm into meme. I'm into a meme that has working project for a token. Okay, I will look into that. You're saying about a token. What's more? What do you think on K-Ron? It's doing good. It's doing good. Layer Zero will be like Manta Pacific. Manta, I think I've heard of it. Manta? Is Manta dumping or something? Is it this one? So they say it's gonna be like this one. Why is this happening? So you must see a reason here. Why is this happening? Okay, it's kind of showing the same pattern. So let me just look into what's going here. Manta didn't go so well. What's happening to Manta? Right off the bat, I know about Manta project. I do farm the like airdrops before this. And I know straight away it doesn't get the much proper funding like Layer Zero. That's the first. And another one, it doesn't have that much, participant, that much people going into the project. So that was a fact. It was straight away the fact that people are more focused on Layer Zero. So I really know Manta is not at that high level compared to Layer Zero. But let's look into maybe they got FUDs or something, because that's a big drop. That's like a supply coming into the market. Okay, they have emissions coming into the market. You see, there is a supply coming into the market. You see, there is a supply coming into the market. There is a token unlock every month around 500, 100, 1 billion, 500 million, 300 million, 300 million. There's a lot of supply coming into the market. And the particular day it starts to dump, it's around 12th April. Is there something in 12th April? I don't know. April, yeah. April is where $1 billion of supply coming into the market. So that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, that makes sense why it starts to dump. But I'm not sure why it's dumped so aggressively. But yeah, it can happen. It can happen like this. Hence, okay, if you guys want to ask me what I'm going to do if layer zero starts to happen like that, of course. For example, I have my portfolio of around 15,000. Let's say, if I have 15,000, I want to allocate 2,000 into layer zero, meaning I am able to risk $2,000 for layer zero. I don't put 15,000 into it. I'm not going all in. I'm managing my risk. Because why? Because I can be wrong. Because things can go bad like Manta. But again, Manta is just very bad timing, especially it was being released. Look at when. It was being released when the market was at the top around February. You see what happens to altcoin in February? Let me show you once again. It starts to top. You see what happened to Sui here? Yeah. That is what happened to Manta. I'm showing you based on chart straight away. That's what happened here. It starts to top in February and then it starts to dump. Same candle like Sui. You seeing this? Who was asking me? Asip, you're seeing this? So yeah, it's because the market is weak. And surprisingly, layer zero, even though it was launched June this year, so it was after that. So it doesn't get that big effect from the market. And if the market starts to go bullish, it might just go up. So different market condition, man. It can affect the token. So in my opinion, meme coins will go down near future and we may see altcoins pumping, right? Sorry for that interrupt, bro. Okay. Now, what my views on meme coin? Good question. I like this kind of question. There is a leader meme coins. There is like regular meme coins. There is a shit coins. Shit coins will go to zero. Okay, there is meme coin. There is shit coins. Meme coins, okay, they're okay. Shit coins, zero. Shit coins, zero. Okay, meme coins, okay. Two different things, right? Now, in meme coins, there is a leader meme coin. There is a regular meme coin. So my target is only the leader meme coins are going to pump. They're going to consolidate. They're going to accumulate. And then when the right time comes, they're going to start pumping. What I mean by leader is like Popcat. Look at how Popcat has made a local top. It made a local top in July. And now for 100 days now, for 52 days, it's been consolidating. It wasn't able to get back to the highs. So it starts to make a base like this. Well, why am I doing this drawing? Look at what happened to Popcat before. One tap, two tap, it starts to making a base and then it starts to break out. One tap, two tap, it starts to make a base and then it starts to break out. One tap, two tap, it starts making a base. Maybe it can start to break out. So it will do a base here. Giga, it will start do a base here. Mog, it is doing a base. What's more? Ponky. You see Ponky here? Ponky is starting to do a base here. It will start to consolidate before another leg up. I do think Ponky have a similar pattern to Mog. What's more? Harambe. This is a true cult community, like what Axie said. You must buy into a cult. So like Harambe is consolidating before another leg move. Mumu, obvious, is going to be a very good play. Look at the strength here after a big pump. It starts to retesting around this area. So this kind of coins is the leader of Solana meme coins. So they are the one are gonna get the liquidity rotation back and it's gonna pump. Not these other regular coins that are into the market. Okay? So that's my view. That's my view. That's a great question, right? Manta get the leader from Binance. Ta-da! There you go. That's the answer. Thank you, Farkosh. Thank you. So Manta is getting delisted from Binance. No wonder they're getting that dump. They were getting. I'm not sure I'm not sure if it's true or not. Oh, let's check it out. Manta delisted. Manta Binance delisting. Yeah, July 31, Binance to delist Manta ADA Evo. So it was at that price. Let's look at Manta. There's always going to be something why this big dump happened. The news come up in 31st July and starts to dump in April when the delist happened. So yeah, there you go. There's your answer. Not everything is going to be the same as Manta. Okay, don't be that to judge. So now I already put it out. My alpha play. Let's look into charts. What do you guys want? Let me open a new tab for you guys. I'm not gonna go through everything. Okay, I'm sorry if you're late, but I'm just gonna go into the early ones. People that are early. Please analyze. Okay, can you help me with picking an exchange? I want to get airdrops on Ton chain, but all the exchange won't allow me because I'm in the USA. I'm not sure. Can anyone in here from the USA help this brother here or sister? What exchange are you guys using? Is it Bybit? Is it Coinbase? Is it Binance? Binance US maybe? Bobby James, what's your opinion on the start and duration of the bull run? How do you think the after bull run will look like, and what is the future of community after the run? I might have to leave, boys. The boss ain't liking I'm listening to this. Okay, no wonder. Thank you. God bless you, man. God bless you. Okay, what's your opinion on the start and duration of bull run? Okay, good question. Let me just go into it. Bitcoin chart. Okay. Who was asking? Danko, listen to this, boy. Bull market have already started, but bull run haven't. Okay, do you get this? Bull market already started way back in 2023. Way back in 2023. This was the bull market. Okay, this was the bull market. Bull market. What is mean by bulls? Bulls mean bullish. Bull market, okay? So bull market have already started, Danko. But bull run haven't. So when is the bull run gonna happen? So now I want us, okay, I want like how many of you are in here? How many of you are in here? 49 of you in here. I want you guys to differentiate between 3 years. There is let me remove everything. There is a halving year. There is a pre-halving year. Okay. Change it to red. Oh, let me change that to corrective. And there is the post-halving year. There's a post-halving year. Green. Okay. I need you guys to differentiate between these two things. There's pre-halving. Oops. There is halving year. There is also post-halving. So now, just based on this, you can see where most of the gains were from. It was in the post-halving. So this is the bull run. When it breaks all-time highs. It was around this. It was the bull run. Halving is when the start of the bull market. This is the bull market. Bitcoin rise 2x from the bottom. What's happened here is Bitcoin rise 4x from the bottom. Okay, it's the same. It's just a halving pump. Halving year pump. But most of the gains were made in the post-halving, meaning 2020 was the halving, 2021 was the pump. 2016, okay, let me just take this, copy. 2016 was the halving, and 2017 was the pump. Okay, post-halving. You see that? Halving, there's pre-halving also. Pre-halving is what back here. Pre-halving. Okay. You see it? Are you guys seeing this? Pre-halving year, halving year, and then post-halving. Pre-halving year, halving, and then post-halving. So now you're differentiating these 3 years in crypto. So what are we looking at right now is a pre-halving year, halving year. Oops, sorry. Halving year. Oh my god. Halving year. Okay, this is the halving year. Okay, we have halving in April this year. Halving, all right. Now, where is the most of the gains were made? In the post-halving year. In the post-halving year. When? 2025. There's your answer. So, Danko, what my view is for the start of the bull run next year. That's a simple answer. How do you think after the bull run will look like? Of course, after the bull run, I expect the duration is going to be around 500 days after the halving. 500 days after the halving is when, let me open this. April something was the April 19, if I'm not mistaken, was the halving. 500 days is around August next year. Around August, around September, August. I think that's when the market will start to top or something. We can top in March or we can top in September. That's two choice, okay? We can top in March or we can top in September. Why I take 500 days? Because I already shared to you, to like everyone, halving. I think I shared in the channel here. Here, look at this. Guys, we are not yet entering 100 days. This was like in June. Bitcoin halving 2016 to 2017, 532 days. Bitcoin halving in 2020 to cycle top 2021, 549 days. Bitcoin halving 2024 until now, until like back then was like 62 days. But until now, it's already 100 something. Okay, until now, it's already 150. Okay. So why do I take 500? Because that's like average. 500 is around September. Yeah, it's around September. That's the duration I'm looking for. Simple answer. Again. And what's the next question? What is the future of the community of the run? Of course, I do believe, especially this cycle after Larry Fink, after Michael Saylor, after this big people coming into the market with ETF here, ETF there, blah blah blah. It's gonna be very crazy going forward. I do think people will start realizing the importance of decentralization, and they will start using it in a normal day-to-day basis. This is where the year of adaptation happens. The year of adaptation is going to happen this cycle. So we're going to see what's going to happen, okay? Danko, I hope that answers your question. Hey, what's website are you guys using for buying altcoin? First time buying a coin, I want to start with Zero USDT. Zero? Zero. I'll share it later. I'm using Bybit. I'm going to look into the altcoins. Okay. Ton is banned in the US. That's bad. I can't do nothing about it, man. Sorry. Thoughts on lithium? Yeah, I'm bullish on lithium. Thank you to be part of this community and for these VCs. Thank you for taking the time, man. Much love and hey to everyone here. Thank you, Danko. I hope it answers your question. I do have lithium in my watch list here. Look at this. Look at my look at my chart here. It's looking very very good, bro. It's looking very very good. Why do I think it's gonna make a run like Casper? It's gonna make a run like Casper. Look at Casper here. Look at Casper here. Capture this image, put it in your mind. Casper, rounding bottom, breaking out. Now let's look at lithium. Lithium, rounding bottom and not breaking out yet. So yeah, I'm bullish on lithium, and I know the sharding technology. I know about blah blah blah. There's like layer 1 here and there, of course. But I look at the chart first, and I look at the chart is strong. Okay, good. Now I'm interested in the project. That's my thought on lithium. I'm gonna look into more of it. I'm gonna post about it because I'm gonna post. It is one of my token that I'm looking into. Okay, if you guys have any questions, I'm gonna look into it here. Otherwise, or you guys can just come up, open your mic. I'm gonna answer. Now let's give some love to the people here. Hello? Yo, hey there, hey Malik. I remember you, bro.
Can you check out Billy for me?
Billy.
Yeah.
Billy. Yes, of course, I can do that for you, bro. Let's look into Billy. I'm sorry, but I know he come out and speak to me, so I'm gonna look into him first. So let's look into Billy. I do have my support like over here, and it's breaking down. But of course, breaking down doesn't mean anything if it starts to reclaim. I always said this before. If things starts to get bad for meme coins, but then it starts to reclaim and going higher, that's good. That's bullish. That's what we call a liquidity sweep below. And we can see a lower wick here. If we pull down to the lower wick, you see the wick here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking good. It's look like it's want to start bottoming, but I don't know the narrative inside Billy except this cute dog with a face. So what I want to see, here, let's remove all of this. Let's remove everything. Now we have a certain bottom for Billy. Okay, we are seeing bottom around this price. Let's say around 15 million market cap. If that is the bottom, now what Billy should do from here, start to make an accumulation. It needs to start making accumulation. Okay, there's not gonna be a V, something like that. It's not gonna happen without accumulation unless there is some catalyst onto it. So Billy is already starting to do like accumulation. It's starting to do like this sideways mode, and it's not breaking down. So it must start to do this accumulation. You see this? The low must be it must defend the low at 15 million. It must start to like break out, make an accumulation. Now you can see the base here. Let me just draw the line. You see here? Making a base. And then from there, during this time is where the true conviction holders stand. This is where people are selling. This is where the diamond's hand are. If the community stays strong, if the bottom is established, if the base in the making, they will have another chance to break out and start another move. So what you need right now is patience and time, and you need the chart to prove itself. Of course, you can buy into it, keep on buying, but until when? Okay, of course you want something to move. Of course you want profits. So after being down, how many percent was it from the top? It's like very 92%. So what you want to see, of course, you don't want to see support getting lower and lower and lower. That's going to be a very bad sign. So we want to see and establish accumulation. Establish accumulation here, and when it starts to break out, that's when the thing starts to look good for Billy. That's my thought, brother.
All right, thank you. Do you think Pop can?
Excuse me. What are your?
Go on, John. Go on.
I'm sorry. Yeah. What were you saying, Malik?
Yeah, do you think Pop can hit $3?
Popcat,
Yeah.
my target is $5, man.
5
Minimum.
minimum. Okay, inshallah
Minimum,
hits
bro.
$5.
That's no other cat in the ecosystem in every other chain that is as strong as Popcat. And let me ask you this: if you show this picture to your sister, to your cousin, do they know this cat?
No,
They don't know about Popcat.
no.
For real, bro?
My brother does. My brother does.
Yeah. What I want to say is how normies, how people like normal people that is not in crypto, how recognizable Popcat really is because it's so famous. It's
Mm.
so famous. So there's no other cat that is the same level as Popcat. And I don't want to say it based on like narrative. I want to see it based on chart. What cat is holding up strong as Popcat?
None, to be honest, no.
Yeah. Even Mark,
Yeah,
is down 80%,
yeah.
right? But Popcat is now like holding 35% from the highs. Of course, it's already done, but now it's the current price. It's like 37%. So the relative strength on Popcat is super insane. And one more tips. Let me show you this. Let me show you this. You see this pattern here?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me show you something. Dark with hat. Let me
It's
show you
just like dog with
something.
fat. Yeah, I know. I've seen it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I was
Yeah?
looking at it as well. Yeah, it's just like.
Yeah? Uh-huh. So it's doing this pattern here. Let me just copy this. Of course, it's not similar, but it's kind of similar, bro.
Yeah.
So let me just paste it here, make it bigger.
It's so similar.
Shift it
Yeah, I
back.
know. I've seen it.
Yeah, you can see, right? You can see, right? This triple thing before the big rip. 1, 2, 3 before the big rip. 1, 2, 3 before the big rip.
Yeah.
Yeah, Popcat, $5, bro. $5.
Excuse
All
me,
right.
what are your thoughts on Insider Coin?
Who's that? Is Don? Is it Don?
INSDR? Excuse me.
Yeah, come again.
Yeah, it's your thoughts on Insider Coin, INSDR. It just came out, I think, yesterday, a couple days ago.
INSDR. Couple days ago. Let's look into it. Brother. Let me change the chart for a moment. I can't see shit.
Go
Hold
to their Twitter
on.
too.
Yeah. I'm gonna look into it. It's a new coin, of course, relatively new coin. I'll just say based on chart first. Based on chart, I like the way it's trying to hold the support. Of course, I don't know about the project still. I just like how it's trying to hold the support. It's released 2 days ago, relatively weak. It's really weak, of course. The insider are cranking up. The insider sauna, blah blah blah. Let's look into the Twitter. 4,000 followers. It doesn't have anyone I followed that is following this project. Interesting. Inside a merch drop. Okay. Let's look into the website first. Okay, good. Main insider. I want to see some real stuff. Tokenomics. Okay, roadmap. Interesting. There's
They
not
have a
much
they have a
meme coins.
podcast below.
Meme coin usually doesn't have any roadmap. So this really means the team is somewhat experienced. Of course, this can be fake roadmap because they just want to pump the price. But if you get into the community, if you get into the community itself, if they're really established, Insider can really have a good play from here. And it looks like Insider merge drop along with their new site, pay with Insider card, PayPal, all profits go to buying and burning. Huh. Interesting.
Excuse
I'm
me.
gonna keep
Well,
a watch on this. Yeah.
when you go back on their website, they actually have a podcast at the very bottom, and it has Joe Rogan sitting there.
Ah.
Yeah, so I don't
So
know if.
they are. Mhm.
No, go ahead.
They're like collaborating with Joe Biden team or something.
I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, they pop up out the blue. They have like a golden check on Twitter. They have this podcast. They have a professional website with a roadmap. I don't know what to think of them.
So if you ask me, it really looks established here. Just dropping the bomb. It looks established. They have a podcast. They have a roadmap. They have a merge. They have this blue like golden tick verified September 2024. They're just launched, and let's look 10 September. So
they built hype for it too.
Ago. Yeah, they built hype for it. Yeah, I'm just looking at it right now. They're building the hype for it. Now I guess the launch was good. Right now sitting at 200k market cap. The launch is good. Is it a fair launch or something? Let's look into the bubble maps. Holders, 500 holders. It looks established. Of course, they have the hype. They have, what am I pressing? They have the hype. They have their roadmap. They have everything. It's established. The team is experienced, of course. Holders here. Okay, I can see a mostly fair distribution. This is probably calls, influencers. Most of these are probably influencers. You see this 62, 62, 60, 60, 60. Maybe most of the same percentage are influencers, and they are still not pushing the token yet. That could mean something. But of course, for me, I don't look into new launch. I avoid new launch. I want a more established coin, or coin that is showing strength, like Kate. Okay, for example, like Kate here. Let me show you an example here. You see when a token is released,
I was looking at
the pump, right? But now I don't enter in this pump. I wait for a possible base accumulation here, like this. You see this? I personally get in here. Of course, I'm late. XC shared at 5 million, but I enter at like 8 million stuff. But look at what happened. It still looks good. So I don't have any advice for this, except I just want the support to be whole. It can do certain things like this, like it can start to break down, shaking a lot of people, because that's what project always do, and it starts to reclaim. So that's what you want to keep an eye on. Otherwise, if you still keep holding the support, this is a good base. This is a good, you see this, where it can start playing out here before another breakout. That could also happen. So yeah, you can look at this from there. Is it good, John?
So would you hold this on more of a long-term level, maybe like a month and a half, just to kind of see where the project's going?
To be honest, I won't, because I need if I want to hold it for 1 month, I need established token, like for example Giga, Retardio, Michi, that have established community, like true community, that have been holding for 1 to 2 months, that have been going between up and downs, that normal like 80% drawdowns and stuff like that, and they're still vibing, blah blah blah. That I will hold. For this kind of token, newly released, I will just trade it. Trade it just for the sake of profit.
All right, got you. So you would go for more established cult-like followings for holding?
Yep. For holding, Ponky, Giga, Retardio, Michi, Popcat, they're there, bro. You see them everywhere on the timeline.
Thank you.
Yep, no problem, bro. No problem. Okay, good. I like some people coming up.
I have a question.
Yes, Ahmed. I see you, bro.
Yes, thanks. The FWOC or FWOC, whatever. Let's see.
How do I spell it?
FW.
Oh yeah, this token. I know about it.
Yes.
85 million now. Strong as hell. Yeah, this is gonna touch 100. No,
not this one.
Not this one,
not
bro.
The O.
Oh,
the
this is a good coin. Just joking, bro. What is it? How do I spell it?
FW.
FW.
E.
U.
U. Yeah. G.
G.
Yes.
Okay.
The 1.1
million. Is this something new meta or something?
I see a few colors calling this.
Okay. So yeah, you can see it here. You can see where the price starts to build up, right? You can see, right? Price starts to build up. blah blah blah, and then start to pump. That's a good sign. That's a good similar price action as Kate here. See, it happens again and again and again. So for Fork, if you are already in this and you are already up like 3x, take your profit. Shave your profit. Take your initials out. Because this is a very new coin. 21 days is new. Okay, 21 days is new. And every pump is going to have a retrace. So what I'm seeing here on Fork, it can retrace to this level here. The first level, this one, around this area, it can retrace here. But mostly they don't retrace, this is like a book level kind of retrace. But mostly they do a deep retrace. They retrace to the range low here. So after like the big pump, see, they retrace and now they start to pumping again. And if this bottom doesn't hold, they will start to go lower. They will start to go lower, start to consolidate. Because remember this, the bigger and the higher the pump, the longer the consolidation it takes to digest the pump. All right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
At what point should I...
should you sell?
Yeah.
So, like I said, if you are already in profit, bro, take it off. Take 50% off. Take 20%, 25% off. Start selling if you're already in profit. Start selling. There's no perfect point to sell unless you start selling your profit. Okay, you don't want to sell on the loss. You don't want to round trip your profit. Maybe you're up 2x here, but then when it go down, you only up 50%. So now you're regretting. So what happens if you sell 25%? You're still up. You're still good. There's nothing wrong. We are here to make money.
Well, the thing is, I'm not at profit. I'm not at loss. I got in a few
Okay,
hours
you just
ago
got in.
because they called it, a few of them today. So
okay, cool. So
yeah.
Now what comes into play is your risk management. I hope you don't put everything in it. So now you just want to see another leg move. But I can see this thing starts to consolidate for it. And it already does. When it starts to drop like this, it starts to drop. You see this? It starts to consolidate. So that's what we want. We want a consolidation. We don't want a breakdown. We don't want that. So if that happens, bro, just try to take some off from the table. Don't lose too much.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you're putting money that you cannot risk it, take it off. There's nothing wrong. You can, like, for example, you put 1,000 into this. Now you're starting to realize, shit, that's too much. I want to take something off from the table. I want to take 500 off. I want to take 250 off the table. Take it. There's nothing wrong. There's no perfect strategy here, but unless managing your risk. So just manage your risk, right?
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
All right. Cool. Check this out, bro. Okay, I'm checking it out.
Hey, man. All I gotta say, I have no question. I just want to say that your information is very fucking useful. You give very good fucking calls. And you need to be,
thank you, bro.
You need to be doing these lives way more often. You give a lot of good value, man. It's great. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you, man. Thank you, Carlos. Yo, bro, you're so kind, bro. Thank you so much. That means a lot to me. You see, I do VC for this kind of people. For you, bro.
Thank you so much, man. Your content is really great, and people can actually see that you care about your community. It's not just a side hustle.
Yeah, I do. I definitely do.
I'm already enjoying my profits from Rocky that you gave yesterday.
Oh, really? Oh, great. I like that. I post that. Of course, we post that.
Yeah, you posted it. It was good, man. Thank you so much.
No problem, bro. No problem. That means a lot to me. Thank you, Carlos. My God, these kind of people, they're really, really kind. Yeah, that's what community is all about.
Will we get a play like Rocky today?
Come again? What is it?
Will we get a play like Rocky today?
There's no particular play every day, of course. If we see opportunity that is good, especially that is can potentially bring profit, like Kate, this is a big cook for everyone. We will try to share it, but of course, everything have their own risk. There's no particular like every play every single day, because we don't do that. We want to provide like quality compared to quantity, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, just be patient with it. If you don't, if you have extra money on the side, sit in your cash. There's nothing wrong in sitting in cash.
All right.
Abu Bakar, I see you, bro. You're opening your mic.
Yeah, I really want to speak about what it kind of be right now. I don't know, because it has been pumping for the past few days. What do you really think about it? Land Wolf.
Land Wolf. I do look. I was looking into Land Wolf yesterday, bro. Yesterday I was looking into Land Wolf. I think it starts to bottom out. I do think so.
Yeah.
And another thing is, I know the team has money, and I know the team is like super huge. But that's the thing, bro. Seeing this down 95%, you see this 95%, bro. That hurts a lot of people.
Yes.
It hurts a lot of people. Even I want to be honest here. I enter Wolf here around here, and then I stole a bit, but then I enter here, bro, like around this price, and now I'm down, but I'm down, bro. I'm down 90% from it. So, yeah, we're stuck. But my view on this is because I don't have any reason to sell, and I just put some money that I can afford to lose. I just want to see how it play out, and I do have extra money, but I don't DCA into this. Because for me, my personal view is I want to see chart that is holding up. For example, things like Retardio, for God's sake, okay?
Okay.
Like, for example, Retardio. I'm looking at Retardio, bro, and it's looking good.
All right.
You see this kind of chart, it looks good. It looks good. So now, if you want to look compared to Wolf, something like this, of course, I don't want to DCA just simply because I want to DCA. No, that's not how DCA works. DCA must have a proper strategy. How to DCA, when to DCA, what to DCA. There's a lot of questions must come. Yeah. It doesn't have to be, oh, I lose money in it, DCA. I lose money in it, DCA. That's a stupid DCA. It doesn't have to be like that.
It's bullshit.
So, yeah, my view on this is I just want to see how it play out. If it can start, making that accumulation like everything that I said and starts to break out, that's much, 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 much better, but it's going to be hard. It's going to be a long-ass consolidation.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's my view. No problem, bro. No problem.
Thank you, bro.
Hey, Bobby.
Yo, I saw you, Sak.
Yes, it's Sach.
What's good? Sach.
How are you doing?
Sach, I'm sorry. Orange.
No problem, no problem. I think I want to kind of follow up on what Carlos said. Yeah, like you are one of the
Carlos.
Yeah, one of the most exceptional guys out there. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been following you for a while, and I think the information that you've been giving out is second to none, and people can learn from you. So thank you so much.
Bro, much love. Thank you, bro.
It's exceptional. I think the amount of effort and like information you give us, it's great because we can take with what we know and then we can actually use it. So I just really want to say thank you so much and just keep doing the great work you're doing.
Oh my god! That touched my heart. That touched my heart, bro.
No, I think Carlos made a really good point.
My god, where are you from, Sach?
I'm actually from South Africa.
South Africa, bro. Oh, yeah. Nice to see you.
Yeah.
I'm from. You tell me where you're from. I'm telling where I'm from. I'm from Malaysia, but I'm living in South Korea right now.
Brilliant.
Nice to know you.
Nice.
Thank you so
that's
much. Yeah.
Great. No, it's a pleasure. Just one of your opinion on Top G. I think it's 1.5.
Oh yeah, I know that coin. Top G 1,500 something like that.
Yeah, I saw the Devers. He just reached, I think, Romania, but I guess everything depends on the Tate situation now.
Bro, just like let me ask you, if you look at the chart, does it look bullish or bearish?
It looks bullish.
Of course.
Yeah.
That's my answer right away. It looks bullish. Because why it looks bullish? Like I said, anything that have been down several percent from the highest, this is being down like 80% from the highest. You want to see that accumulation happen. You don't want to see a community selling at support. And then when the support happens and then it starts selling at support, that's a bad community. That's how you judge the community.
Definitely.
Okay? So now you see this support is holding once, twice, and thrice. And in the meantime, some people don't know about this. But when the support starts to go higher, like this, that means strength is coming into the market.
Definitely, I see.
Let me tell you, based on psychology, when price starts to come down, they bid, right? And then price starts to come down. It does. People are waiting to enter. They don't wait enter here. They buy higher because they want to buy it. And now price starts to come down again. They don't wait lower. They keep on entering. And we have this big wick. I don't know what's that. But then, like the floor keep on getting higher. And one of the things that can happen, one of the things that can happen from here is a shakeout. Then it starts to rip. Definitely. Things like this happen in the market all the time. Or we can see a more consolidation around this price. A nice good shakeout before pumping. That's good, and that's my for top G. I do believe this is a very bullish one.
I see, and thanks to one of your YouTube videos that I think I watched last night on wallet tracking, I just tracked a wallet yesterday on one of the whales that actually have over, I think, $2 million. And I saw he clipped 4K out of it, which is quite interesting at this point. So, yeah.
Now you can track wallet. Good.
Well,
bro,
thanks to you, because I was literally
you're getting educated, bro.
Thanks to you. Like, honestly, I swear to you, there's few people like you out in the space because like you said, there's a lot of people just trying to cheat people and trying to take money. And, I think just the information you provide is it's like a degree basically. So I appreciate it.
A degree in memes and crypto.
Exactly. Maybe you should consider.
Maybe that could work, right? Oh my God, that means a lot to me. Of course, I posted video for people to take it in, and now I'm hearing a part of the community is really, really gaining knowledge from it. Yeah, I'm honored. I'm really honored.
I think you should. Yeah, like I think one of the listeners also said it or mentioned. I think you should do this often because, like, I think it's good for you as well, for your exposure and you to like interact with the community. And I think the knowledge here is like, honestly, the way you analyze charts like this, I don't think I've ever seen anyone do this. So I think that's like your niche. So ride with it.
Okay, yeah, because this is my style. Personally, this is brilliant. My style, and I can see it's been working every single time. And I don't feel some people want to gatekeep information, and I don't find a reason to gatekeep. I find a reason, bro. You guys need to know this shit. Something like that, you know?
Yes. And even that theory the other day you posted about the what theory was it again? Just a video the other day.
Greater fool theory?
There we go. That was beautifully put as well. That was brilliant. People need to watch that.
Yeah, that kind of information people need to know. They need to know.
Yeah.
Okay, bro.
But anyways, thank you so much for your time.
All right. Thank you so much, Saj. I appreciate you so much.
Yo, bro.
Yo, B, I saw you everywhere, man. I saw you everywhere, and I remember you, bro.
Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah. Bro, can you look at the bill chart?
Yeah. Let's look at Bill. To be honest, bro, I'm bullish on Bill. This is a log chart, by the way.
Thanks, bro. Yeah.
To be honest, bro, I'm bullish on Bill. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can just say that.
Yeah. I saw. I used the wallet tracking video you posted in YouTube, and I saw so many whales biting this bill at this point. And that was super.
So many of you. Oh my God! So many of you here are really learning something from that wallet tracking. I'm really happy, bro. Oh my God!
First of all, I wanna thank Shmoo. If he wasn't there, I would have never met you, bro. Yeah,
Thank you so much for that.
Yeah, it was a gem. Then
thank you.
that CEO
Bro,
Finance, that website was so dope, man. Nobody shared that shit.
Yeah. Some people want to gatekeep, like I said. They want to store information. Then there's like there'll be like, okay, I have information, join my group. I have information, join my group. I said like, let me just share it to you guys. It's free, bro.
Yeah, bro. Everybody flexing on access, but some people only teach that.
Yeah. So that's the thing. Thank you so much for having like gaining value from this community, from the videos.
Yeah, man. Thanks so much, bro. All love.
Thank you.
Hi, Bobby. Sorry, this is my first space that I've joined you. It's been really.
Hey there.
Can you hear me?
I'm really sorry. I cannot see where's your name? So, what's your name again? I can't see you. Which one?
Can you hear me?
This one. Okay, some shit become. Okay, yeah. I see you. Yeah.
Hi. I just wanted to say thank you so much for answering my call. And this is the first sort of space that I'm sitting on, and it's very, very understandable. I wish I found you in October. I made some really shit investments, and I'm now waiting for it to go all the way up.
Yeah. I get it.
My fault, obviously.
No, it's fine. Some people have their own first time, of course.
Yeah. I wanted to ask you, if you don't mind, to share your thoughts on this sort of Kate, Nero, and Janine sort of like thing that's going on now in memes. What do you think? Do you think this will boom? Is this just sort of a temporary thing? Is it going to be a blue collar? Will all three be a blue collar meme, or what do you think?
So let me just get it super right away. She asked my view and opinion about Kate, Nero, and what's one more?
Jinan.
Jinan. Okay. Yeah. So Kate, Nero, and Jinan. So she was asking about the potential, and is it like short term? Is it like, what is it about? What's going to happen? Stuff like that. Okay, I'm going to answer this in two ways, in two perspectives. First, there is a short-term perspective. There's a long-term perspective here. So let me answer short-term perspective. Anything that pumps high in a short amount of time will and always gonna have a retrace. Get that in your head, okay? Anything. And what I'm saying right now is Kate. It's Kate, okay? Some people are not gonna agree on this, but anything that's pumped high in short amount of time. Why do I say a short amount of time? Bro, Kate released 2 days ago. Now it's pumping just from the first base. It's already pumping almost 10x. From the bottom, it's already pumping 137x. So anything that's pumped, it can go higher. Of course, I don't say it doesn't go higher. Of course, it can. It can just consolidate, blah, blah, blah. Keep going higher, consolidate. It can. But it will have this moment of consolidation. It will have this moment of downtime. So anything in short term, anything that have been pumped a lot in short amount of time, will have a consolidation, will have a retrace. It will go down. I don't say it's going to be down a lot, but it's going to go down. It will go down, okay, somehow. So that's a short-term perspective. Now I want to put into a long-term perspective of what's already happened. So Kate is the one that is pumping now. Let me show you what happened to Nero. And there is even some people come up to me when I said Nero is going to go down. Nero is going to go down. Nero is going to go down. And some people don't believe in me. And it does. Nero does come down. Which one is the token? Shit. Which one? Let me take the highest volume.
Is this Nero on ETH?
Yeah, Nero on ETH. Are you saying Nero on Ethereum? Or
ETH.
On ETH, yeah, right? Yeah. On Ethereum, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I got very lucky with that one. Because I didn't jump in and it went all the way down. I don't know what it was. I was awake and I was like, that's it. That's my entry.
I can guess. I can guess. Because why? Because I was in there. I was with you. Let me show you. Here, I'm gonna go into 30-minute charts. So I already told you about short-term perspective, right? Anything that goes up, it can goes up, of course, but if it goes up if it goes up a lot in short amount of time, it will come down. So I was in Nero back here. You see this? Like I said, I don't. Oh, I'm sorry. I was in here, like back here. You see this pattern on Kate here?
Yeah.
Like I said, I wait for a bullish consolidation like this. You see, same thing happened again back then with Nero. It launched, but then I don't want to ape straight away. I ape after a day. After a day, I've already been pumping, and now I see this base formation. So I enter around this price. Then it starts going higher, blah, blah, blah. I get like multiple X from this. Super happy days. It was really good. Like, it was non-stop. It was going higher, like gaining 13X from this. Good shit. But it's having a multiple series of consolidation around this price, This is a bubble map FUD around this bottom, and this top. This is the top, the market top. Yeah, the market top is there. So short-term perspective, okay? I'm saying short-term because Nero pump 13X from my entry in 9 days. In 9 days. It's just 1 week and 2 days. So 9 days. That's a lot. Okay, that's a lot after going multiple series. Like, it's been going multiple phases in the market, but it's just in a short span of time, around 10 days. So this kind of thing, they will come down. For example, like here, they're already down 50%. And now, market, of course, show and humble every people in the market. I was taking profit aggressively around this price. And I was, to be honest, I was getting shake out during the bubble map FUD. But now I get in. I was able to get in right after around this price and sold around here. So just by having a system like that, I can avoid myself from this big, massive downfall. Because why? Because I know everything that comes up in a short amount of time that pumps a lot will come down. It will come down somehow. So I want to, SMTM, see money, take money. If I'm in profit, 2x, 3x, I take the money. I take 50% of my portfolio out. I take it, like something like that. So that's in the short-term perspective. This is what a short-term perspective is. Okay, so you get that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that the short-term perspective is anything that goes up, it will and have a high possibility that it may come down. So you want to act quick. You want to trade the market. You don't want to like hold it for forever. No, if you're up 10x, take some profit. If you're up 5x, take some profit. You're up 3x, take some profit. There's nothing wrong. So in long-term perspective, now, okay, Kate doesn't have a long-term perspective yet. Let me just say long-term perspective based on Nero. So Nero have already been down 90% from the highs. Good. Why I say it's good? Because anything that comes down, they will form a community. It's like a cycle, When things go pump up, everyone rides the hype. But people that hold down here are the ones that, is the part of the community. So people that bet for Nero long-term potential, why I think it's high potential, because their narrative. It is one of the first narrative based on Doge. After Doge die, Nero comes up. So it is one of the first mover. So it starts to be listing on Binance. See, when Binance listed around this price, it starts to pump. That means potential. So long-term view for Nero, I do think Nero have the potential to go to all-time highs and back to 500 million, like go to all-time high around 500. That's my long-term potential. After going through drawdowns, after going through the hype, going through drawdowns, going to multiple things, now they're having a very strong team. They start to list on Binance. Long-term view. Okay, the short-term, put it away. Long-term view, I do think Nero have potential, and I do think based on chart, it will start to consolidate. Around this price after a big pump. You see, again, after a big pump, the bigger the pump, the longer the consolidation to digest the big pump. Okay, so that's for Nero. And for Ginan, short-term perspective I already explained. For long-term perspective on Ginan here, what I'm seeing right now is QnA have onboarded some of the important people into the team. The ship advisor, that's very, very bullish, because why? Ship advisor is someone, she was very, very experienced with Shiba Inu back in 2021. Okay, like Shiba Inu pump 2 years ago, 1 year ago, pump very, very crazy. So when they onboard someone with experience, they know what to do. And they have connections. They network. They have connections. Okay, Ship advisor maybe have connections with people on Binance. That's bullish. And long-term potential. Okay, long-term potential. I'm talking about long-term potential here. I am seeing an accumulation. You see, again and again and again, after things have come down from the highs, I need to see accumulation. This is where the holders are like holding, people accumulate, then we need to see a breakout. That's for QnA. And QnA have a very, very good playbook here. Riding the hype, going down, 90% from the highs, accumulation, having a good team, having this, having that, blah, blah, blah. We just want to see a breakout. A very bullish thing indeed. And it's already been here for around 1 month, which is better. The longer it is, the more community is going to form. Okay, it's not going to like die or something. So that's my view on Kate, Nero, and QnA. Is that good?
That was amazing. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate your time. Thank you.
No problem. Glad it helped.
What type of coins would you day trade?
What type of coin I day trade? Personally, I don't day trade much, because I only day trade when the market was hot back in early March, around this area. So if I want to ask you what kind of coin do I trade, I cannot answer that. But what I can answer, what kind of market do I day trade? I day trade this kind of market. I don't day trade this kind of market. You see, you get what I mean?
So what are you currently day trading in the crypto space?
I don't. I just don't, because I'm saving my money. Believe me, if I ask you, if you day trade, the more you day trade, the more you lose money. Is that true?
Yeah.
Especially in this choppy market. Of course, you get something like Kate. But do I day trade this? Bro, I just buy and I hold. And I sell here. I sell a bit here. And I'm still holding a like small, very small bag of it.
Right.
Well,
that's
like
my
day
idea.
trading, like getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out. Like that's like day trading. You know, day trading is trading in a day, you know?
No, that's what I mean by that in terms of like this meme coins.
Okay. So in my perspective, if I want to say it, I swing trade. My background was from stock market. I swing trade most of the stock. So I bring that habit into this, and yeah, gonna be good. So I just need to find a great niche and a great pattern and a great way to manage risk. Of course, meme coins are very, very volatile. So I do put like 80%, negative 80%. Like, for example, I have in my stock portfolio, like, for example, I have $100,000. So when I put into stocks, I put like 50K, I put like 20K. But when I put into memes, bro, I put 1,000, I put 2,000, I put like 5,000, like super less compared to what I put. And that's how I manage risk, because it's very super volatile. Sometimes I even put $500 or even 100, one soul, something like that. So that's how you manage the volatility. And I swing trade. Something like this happen, I swing. If this go bad, bro, I'm sitting in my bags. There's nothing I can do.
What are the signals that you look for in terms of what coins you would swing trade for the week?
What time? Like for I said, I need to see a pump and also a consolidation. I need to see a strong bullish consolidation. Like I said before, you see this lows are getting higher, and you see the consolidation happens. Very, very they're holding. And also for me, I look at volume. I look at volume. And I don't want to see a big selling volume like this. I don't like this. But what I like is a period of silence. In consolidation, what I mean by period of silence is where the volume is quiet. You see the volume is quiet here around this price? Yeah, that's a good shit. You see price, like volume is quiet here. Super, super low. I like that. And I like to see what this is called is volatility. I call this VCP, volatility contraction pattern.
So I got a question for you. You trade the 30-minute charts when you look at kind of new
I don't
coins?
choose a specific time frame. I choose time frame that I can see patterns. Sometimes it's 4 hours. Sometimes it's 2 hours. If I can see in 15 minutes, then 15 minutes. I just okay. Maybe how I can answer your question is, how do I find something like Kate? Right. Yeah, I get you. Me personally, I'm in the market. I look into them. I am an observer. My Twitter, bro. Where's my Twitter? So, like, I monitor everything on my timeline. I look, even new coins, I look straight away. For example, okay, what is this person said? Sui, I look into Sui. What is this? Bill, I look into Bill. What is this? SPX, I look into SPX. Something like that, okay? I look into my timeline. I read the hype. Well, okay, for example, let me just scroll. And I see what? I see Retardio. Okay, Retardio. Okay, this is some good shit. What happened to the chart? I see Sundial. Okay, someone is saying about Sundial. Let me look into the chart. Something like that. You get me? I observe. I observe and I observe. So when I see something that is hype, I see people calling it. I see people are looking into it. Like, for example, like bro, Kate, XC called around this price, bro. Like this after launch, like few minutes after launch, few hours after launch. I buy here 1 day after launch because I want to see consolidation. So that's just me. I don't mind being late. I already make peace with being late. I don't care if I'm being late. I just want to see what I want to see. If I see what I'm seeing, I'm good. I don't mind being late because I cannot get the bottom, I cannot get the top, but I can get the chunk, like the chunk of it. This chunk. I can write this good because I sell here a bit. I sell here a bit. I can get at least the chunk of the meat. I cannot get the full meat, bro. That's greedy. So if you have that mindset, if you have that patience, if you have that you make peace of being late, you can be me, of course. But I don't ask you to do that because every people is different. You just need to find your strong point, you know? Some people can scalp, like they buy here, they sell here. They buy here, they sell here. I don't do that. Tiring, bro.
So you look for pattern formation no matter how big the hype is, no matter how many people are calling it. You're looking for the pattern formation for the consolidation periods, no matter what.
Yes. Let me give you example. I look into, like you say, Bossman called Pipe, right? I look into Pipe. And I still have my analysis here. Let you see that? You see that? I still have my analysis here. So now I was looking into it, and guess what? I bought in here. I bought at this price. Bossman called around this price. Bossman was calling. You see, I observe. I see Bossman call, and I look at the chart. Okay, I see it looks good. I like it. Bossman call around this price, and I ape here. And guess what? I start selling because I know Pipe is super new, and I'm already up like 50% from it. Yeah, around 70%. I start selling half, like around this price, and I'm glad I sell half because look at what happened. It starts to consolidate. But yeah, right now, if I'm looking at it again, it looks nice, bro. So yeah, this is what I want to see. So this is what I meant by I observe. Now I'm seeing, okay, it's consolidating, bro. I like this. So what levels am I looking at? I'm looking at this level. Okay, the floors are rising. Good shit. The highs is not being broken yet. Good shit. You see? Now are you seeing pattern? I just show you live. So you can see where I'm going to enter. What pattern? This pattern, bro.
The wedge pattern?
Yes, the wedge pattern. I don't call this wedge. I call this ascending triangle.
Got it.
Yeah. Wedge is something like that. Wedge is something like this.
Last question, because I don't want to take up the space. You said you bought in right kind of where that dip was.
Breakout happened? around this.
Yeah,
Maybe around
before
this
the
price.
breakout really actually happened. No, not right there. You said when you bought it earlier.
Yeah, I bought
when
here.
it got caught on Twitter. What made you do that?
It doesn't have to be a specific reason. Because when I don't see a proper, very crisp setup, the one thing I can do, manage my risk. If before this I ate 5,000 into a coin, I can do 1,000 just to get the feel of it because the chart is good, and it doesn't have to be because if you are strict and rigid to the market, like super rigid, you're gonna miss a lot of stuff, and you're gonna suffer. So what I'm gonna do is be flexible with the market. So I hope everyone here listen. I be flexible. I'm dynamic, bro. I'm dynamic. I don't have a specific rigid reason like this gonna happen. Otherwise, I'm not answering. No, I'm flexible. I see it. It looks good, but I cannot risk much on it because this and that. Okay, it's fine. So rather than putting 5,000, let's put $500. Yeah, what's wrong? Rather than putting 500, what's wrong with putting 0.5 sold? What's wrong with putting $50? Just to get a feel of it. Okay, we trade. We're here for the money. If I put 50 and I get $100, I get 200, I get 300. I'm good. If I lose $50, yeah, I'm good. I manage my risk. So if you ask me why do I bought in early, why don't I wait for the breakout? Because I see the chart, it looks good. But if you ask me, did I put the same amount I put on the other part? No, I don't. That's how I manage my risk. And sometimes I don't even buy the breakout. Like for example here, I can start accumulate. I can buy like 200 here, 500 here, blah blah blah, and then if it starts to come down, like if it starts to coming down around this price, I'll just hold, and I can, because I don't mind losing $200, $500. If it starts to dump, okay, I'm just gonna get out. I don't care, blah blah blah. I just don't want to lose more money. And if it starts to get back up, okay, now I'm just that can happen, but that's gonna be too tiring. I don't want to do that. I want to swing. I want to relax. If I lose money, I lose money. If I get, good. So if that happen, if I lose money on something, it means I rather lose money on it because I put very small amount and I can lose it. But of course, I have a specific reason. If PPay, for example, lose this level low here, I'm getting out. Maybe if I don't care if I'm down like 30% from it, I don't care. It just doesn't look good anymore. So that's just my point, my thoughts alive, if you ask me. So I'm glad you asked this question because people can know what is in my mind. So for example, in PPay, I don't trade this. Okay, this is non-financial advice. It's just my view. If something like this happen, okay, for example, I put $50 here. I put $100 because it's not it looks good. It's having a base. It starts getting better. It starts the trend line. Okay, I put another $200 and then start going up. And then it starts to break out. Okay, I put another 200 in it. So now I already have like maybe 1,000. Good. For something new like PPay in 3 days, I already have 1,000 in it and I'm already in profit. Okay, good. Good shit. Now when it starts to pump here around this price, I'm taking 20%. I'm taking 15% of my profit. Just take it out. Okay, we're here for the money. Now I'm keep holding it, and then if it's keep going higher, okay, I'm taking another, shaving my profit because it's new. This is not something I'm gonna hold like months ends. And thing that people ask me about me, whoa, bro, what happened if we go 100x from here? I'm not greedy. I don't care. I'm already at peace with that. I'm peaceful, bro. I don't care if it goes 100x. I know the market is gonna give me opportunities. I think in abundance. A lot of people in the crypto market, they think very narrow. This is gonna be it, or I die. No, bro. Think in abundance, bro. It's all in your mind. The market is gonna give you tons of opportunities. Think in abundance, then the market shall give you. That's how the universe works. I don't care if it goes 100x. I cannot get the whole meat of it. I'm not greedy. If I can get chunk of it, I'm good. That's just me. Is that good?
So when would you cop out?
When would I cop out? Entirely?
I know you would sell off here and there as it would break out.
Good.
But when would you cop out entirely, like you said, so you wouldn't get too greedy?
Okay, so when will I cop out? There is no proper copping out. Like, it's either because I cannot sell the top. So when will I get out entirely, like fully? If I have full conviction in it, I will have my bag. But for something like this, if I cop out, if I see something like blown off top, something like what's the example that I can give? Something like Nero, bro. Like I sold the Nero top. I sold the Nero top around this price. Because after the FUD came, which I entered around this price, and I know I'm already late around that because I already sell around this price. And I see, like after 10 days, it's already been good. Oh, it doesn't matter about the time zone. It doesn't matter about the time. But what I'm looking at, okay, it's already up like a lot from the first base that I entered. Like 50x from there. And I can see this pattern here that it wasn't able to break out this highs. It starts to forming a double top. It starts to showing some big candles around this, like something like this. Okay, I will maybe start selling this around this price. I will not sell the top because I cannot sell the top. You are asking about selling full the entire position, right? Maybe around this price, because I'm already in profit. And if I'm already like up 10x, 15x, 20x, 30x, like I'm out. I'm good. I'm not greedy. I'm out. So it's going to be like two different things. It's either I reach my target or above my target, I'm out because I don't want to practice a bad habit. I want to practice good habit. Or I see a blown off top. Like Ginan here have already multiple base. Like I said, in a period of 9 days, see, it's very subjective. Depends on coins. Okay, depends on coins. Like for example, Nero here is having a base, 1 base, 2 base, 3 base, 4 base. Like this is a 5th. That's a lot. That's a lot of base. It's gonna come down sooner or later. So yeah, it did. So I maybe be out by 4th base and not gonna sell the top. So I'm just gonna go out. So it's subjective based on coin. What's gonna happen? So it really depends how do I analyze certain chart. It doesn't have a specific. This happened, I'm out. It doesn't have to be like that. Good shit. You are asking some good questions here. I don't mind people like listening because this is good. Let me just is that good, John? It's John, right?
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. There's a lot of information to absorb. I hope everybody's, benefiting from it. I actually have to go. I'm glad that you were able to answer my questions. I appreciate it, and hope everybody benefited from it.
Yeah, they will. I hope they're listening. Thank you, John. I remember you, bro. Bobby James, do you think of De Niro? Do you think this will run? Yeah, I do think. Oh, you already asked. Where are you live? I'm live from South Korea in Telegram.
Yo, Bobby.
I see you, General Tao. Yeah, I see you, bro.
What's up? How are you doing? So
I'm doing good. I'm doing fresh.
Good. You were talking earlier about like what you look for in coins, and I think I kind of have like something that fit all your metrics and checked all your boxes.
Cool.
So
well, what is it?
I was just wondering it's called Pouch. I don't know if you've heard of it. It's kind of a low cap coin, but
Pouch.
Yeah.
Is it this one? Poche? This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So I saw it in the group.
So we've already hit that kind of consolidation wedge. We're 6 months old. So I think it's like kind of a ticker.
I like that. Okay, let me try to judge. Is that cool?
All right, yeah.
Okay, right off the bat, what I'm seeing is the volume are super low. Like Posh. Can you mute for a second, bro? Yep, thank you.
Yeah.
The volume are super significantly low. Like you have a 1.6 million market cap coin, meme coin, that is trading at 5,000, right? Bro, if I put 5,000 in this, it's gonna go boom super high. Because why? Because there is no activity. So what Porsche is telling me, Porsche doesn't have activity. No wonder price is not moving. You get it? Do you get it?
Yeah, well, this is because this is all organic. We're kind of waiting for the right market conditions to, start marketing and all that stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So That's the thing. That's if you know about the team, if you know about the community, that's how you build your conviction. That's how you look at the chart, blah, blah, blah. So from an outsider perspective, this is what I see. So what I seeing is, okay, this is a very, very low volume, but personally, I do like the chart. Personally, I do like the chart because why? Simple reason. When I see a base of accumulation, when I see a base, I want to see a breakout. When I see a base, I want to see a breakout. When I see a base, I want to see a breakout. Okay, so like just simply by looking at the chart, being down, I can say this is down 95% from the highs. Being down and having this period of silent is really, really helpful to develop a community. That's the first. And if the team is not running away and everything, that could be good. That could be very bullish. But of course, there's too many meme coins in the space. What is it important about Porsche that's going to pump? If you have the proper reason for it, if you found the uniqueness of Pouch, like for example, Ponky have a very unique, like they're very loud on social media. Giga Chat, you know. Retardio, very unique. Michi, infinite meme. Popcat, famous. So what is about Pouch? Porsche. So if you find that uniqueness that you want to hold, you can start accumulating with the team. So before you start accumulating, of course, you're doing your own research, DYOR. So now when you're doing your own research, the team is there. The dev is still there. They're doing accumulation right now. They're just being quiet because they're waiting for the right market condition. Good shit. That's good. So just based on that, of course, that is just words. What I want to see, you can call me Bobby. I am a chart enthusiast. I love looking at chart. I don't care about words. You can say whatever you want, bro. But I want it to reflect on the chart. Because what I trade, I don't trade your words. I don't care if you have roadmap. I don't trade that. I trade the chart. I put my money there instead of your words. So anything that they said, anything the team said, whatever the team is, even if Nero, Ginan, whatever, whatsoever, I want it to be reflected on the chart. So if I see accumulation, good. But like I said, every accumulation, I want to see a breakout. I want to see a floor holding. Okay, good. They are holding the floor. They're still being quiet. And what I just need to do is having patience. If I bought in, I just need to have patience. And I bought in something that I can risk. Like, for example, I put 1,000 here. Okay, good shit. I just leave it. Because I have did my own research. I believe the team. I know this and I know that. So Porsche is good. It's just not something I will trade before because I haven't done any research yet. And what I mean by research is, of course, go and join your Telegram, look into it for a few days, just vibing with them. If I can vibe, then good. It's all about, like, most of them are about the vibes and what the community brings. So thank you for putting this on my radar. I'll look into it. Just need some activity on it, of course. To be honest.
Yeah, I just wanted to let you know, like, kind of about it. You know, like you said, like, the Telegram is always kind of active and we're all just like chilling in there, you know what I mean, like just kind of hanging out. Good. Most of the people at this point don't really like care about the price. We're kind of just becoming friends, you know, hanging out with each other, and eventually when market conditions are right, we're gonna start
running again. Yeah, they're active. 19 hours ago you were doing space. Good. Posting memes. Good, excellent. So yeah, I don't doubt this community have potential. I can say Posh have potential. They're doing good. And if you said something like that, if that is true, I can see a breakout happen sooner or later. You see, this is the first stage. They need to break out around this price. Good. After the first hype comes, and then they start another breakout from this box here. The first stage around this price, second stage breakout here, and then you can have the big run up to maybe 5-10 million market cap. So good. Thank you for putting this on my radar. I will look into it.
Yeah. Thanks so much. I appreciate what you're doing.
Yeah, thank you, bro. Okay, bro, you guys are so active. No, because okay, some people said to me, I need to do this a lot. I can, bro. I really can, but I cannot do it at this time zone. Like right now, if you look at the right corner here, it's like 2:32 a.m. in the morning. I went to sleep at 9 a.m. Like literally, I went to sleep at 9 a.m. for you guys. Wait, let me show you something. Let me show you something. Hold up. I'm gonna screenshot something. Let me show you something. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I'm being honest here, super honest, but I cannot show you the chat. But look at this. 9:42 p.m., bro. This is like 2:32 a.m. I said to Xe, gonna get some sleep for 2-3 hours and wake up around 12 a.m. Korean time, getting ready for the live VC. I said, and I report to him because I want to sleep, and I saw a bunch of new people coming into the Telegram. Right now, like I said, we are reaching 20,000 subscribers, bro. That's huge. That's huge for us. Alhamdulillah, that's good. So I want to do a special, like, with you guys. That's why I stay up. I go to sleep at 9. I wake up at 12 because I want to do live for new members, for you guys. Because otherwise, I'll go to sleep right now. I wake up at 5 a.m. and I'm gonna do live for you guys. So that's why it's different now, because I wanna do a special with you guys. I can do it often, but maybe not at this particular time, because I have things to do in the morning. I cannot stay up like this. That's why I can do live maybe around 5 a.m. my time. I go to sleep at 11. I wake up at 5. I go to pray, and then I can do live. That's what I did before. Maybe not around this time, but at a different time. So it will, maybe you guys like are sleeping or something. That's why you can't see it. But yeah, that's why I tried to stay up today, because I see a lot of new members, and I personally said to Xe, like, Xe, I'm gonna get some sleep, bro. I want to do live for new members. Because let me screenshot for you guys, bro. Oh my god, let me screenshot for you guys. I love you guys so much. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. A lot of new members coming in today because tomorrow I have no class. I'll do a late night VC Korean time for all members to welcome them and give some education. First impression to the lab. Bro, this is me. This is me. 2:40 p.m. In the evening, I already planned to do live tonight. So I report, of course. I'm X's partner. I do everything together with him. So I report to him. I said this, I'll do this, I'll do that, blah, blah, blah. So that's why I plan. I want to do VC tonight. I'm going to get some sleep. 9 p.m., 12 a.m. I'm going to wake up, stay up with you guys. So yeah, that's the reality. That's why I'm here right now. Yeah, that's why maybe I cannot do at a similar time. Maybe I can do much later around this radio time. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Bobby James Strong exchange different important exchange, so exchange Tron recently this ape. What the hell? For real? Oh my god, bro. What the hell? Where is it? I can't see it, bro. Shit. Oh my god. This is some god shit, bro. I know Sundog is gonna do something big, but I don't know it's gonna like be this big. What is this guy holding? Sundog, Sunfox. Nah, nothing much. Only Sundog. And TRX. Oh my god, this is some god shit, bro. You know what happened? Whiff happened like this. Mumu happened like this. This kind of coin, Giga happened something like this. Oh, Sundog is going to billions, bro. Confirm. Confirm. This happened to Whiff. This happened to Popcat. It didn't happen to Popcat. It happened to Whiff. It happened to Giga. It happened to what did I say before? I forgot. Mumu. It happened to Mumu. With Giga, Mumu, it happened, and they're like doing very good. Now it's happening to Sundog. Another one adding to the collection. Good shit. Wonder Sundog. And then I have my back in Sundog. As you can see, my analysis here. I already ate like around this price, and but it's super small, 1-2K or something. But yeah, it's fine. 1-2K. Now what? Now I'm up 70%. Yeah, good shit. I'm just holding it. So yeah, that's just me. I'm everywhere. I'm just taking my opportunity there, here and there. So yeah, bro, how long has it been? So yeah, Sundog, good shit. Thank you, bro. Thing in abundance, of course. Bobby, could you have a look at this? Apes. Okay, man. I just came across. There's too much short. Like 195 comments, bro. That's a lot. Oh my god. If you wanna like do charts, just ask question. Raise up your hand. You can ask. I'll do it straight away. Apes, looking good, man. Sitting at 21 million, volume, good shit. I like when it pumps and it starts to hold around this 2 price. I'm looking for this level not to lose. I don't want this level to lose. It can go down. It can go down. Start to reclaim it, and because I see some good support, demand here. That's a demand here, of course. I don't know what the project is, but the chart look good. It looks good. You can wait. You can wait for a retrace, or you can seek for a breakout around this high price. But I can see a consolidation here after a pump. That's a good sign. It's not dumping. It's consolidating. Two different things. Okay. Apes. Shield the coin. Have fun. Stake. Okay, they have utility. Maybe that's something.
Hey Bobby, can I just chip in here quickly?
Oh yeah. Satch.
I've actually been following this coin. I think I aped, no pun intended, at I think 1.8 million market cap.
Bro, you're up 19x, bro. What the hell?
Yeah, it was crazy.
You're not giving me man. Shit, I hate you, bro.
It was absolutely crazy. But actually, just the marketing and everything involved in this coin is pretty insane, because they've actually been posting a lot, and there's a lot of listings, and I think they've listed their coin quite a bit. And they just also tweeted like literally 5 or 5 minutes ago. I think they have some major listings coming up, and I think they're targeting these tier one listings as well. It was crazy because I took note of this coin and the things they're doing, and they've got a massive following in all the platforms. So it's quite interesting to see how they do.
Crypto.com.
Yeah.
Even they are looking into this.
Yep. They mentioned Binance and Bybit, and I'm trying to think who else, because they're talking about them, and they were like saying that's where they're headed towards. They've got this whole staking thing that you play games and then they airdrop tokens to you and all that jazz.
See, there's going to be an app. Huge.
Yeah, and they've got a map, like I said, there's a lot of people following them.
So this is the stuff about, I'm talking about team here. You cannot develop conviction blindly. There is a term for blind conviction. I get that. Okay, I get that. There is a term for blind conviction. You can ape just based on vibe. That's a blind conviction. There's nothing wrong with that. But of course, you can lose money. And there is a term of true conviction, of how the team show to you, like, bro, we have this, we have that, and we're not just saying with words, we're showing action here. We have potential. And now as a holder, that's where the conviction starts to build up. For example, like how you hold, right? So just by that, you know the team is something. They have a lot of money. They have a lot of connection. They have a lot of plan. They're doing something good. So now, just by that, you're developing conviction. And bro, I can say right away, it's good. It looks good. It looks massive. But of course, one of the downside of it is something about staking here. Gotta be careful, because it's gonna be something like sell the news event, you know? Something like staking can be live and something could go wrong and things like this happen. I'm just talking about my experience here. A lot of the coins they produce, like they announce for staking, something like that, but something can go wrong during staking, and that's where the big sell-off can happen. But of course, they get it fixed, and the chart something go like this. They start to go like this. It go it's getting the hype and doing something good, and it starts to pump, consolidating, starting to pump, and then when staking goes live, things looks well, but then something bad happened. They start to go down, consolidate more, and then they start to go up back again. Something like that happened before, like multiple times, with coin that have utility, especially like meme coins. So that's just the downside of it, because I thought the staking was live. I thought the staking was live, but I see what it was not live yet, I think. So that's just the downside of it. Other than that, they're doing good. They're doing good. Interesting.
What is also quite interesting about them was that they continuously pumped to like 40 million, and then what happened with them was the massive sell-off was they listed their coin, I think it was Poloni X or what is it? I don't know what it's called, I don't know how you pronounce it, and then they clipped a lot of money out of that, and then what happened was they actually posted everything and kind of started this whole trend of calling them scammers and all that jazz, because they showed them all the transactions and all that jazz of what happened.
So you want to say to me, this is the FUD candle?
Yeah.
Yeah, get it? Yeah. Totally. Every project must have a FUD.
I see. Yeah.
So it doesn't matter. FUD can come. I don't mind. So this is one thing you must make peace with. FUD can come.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter how bad the FUD is. What matters is what's happening after that. You don't want the after reaction is going to be bad. The after reaction matters a lot. It shows how experienced the team handling FUDs.
Yeah.
Handling panics, handling sell-off. So good. They're handling it well. Based off now, they're handling it well. It can retrace. Okay, it can retrace, like going something like this. Doesn't matter. It looks good. It looks good, nevertheless. Even if it go down to this level, it still looks good. I might consider this. Yeah, I might look at it. Something established as this is nothing, cannot be fake. Anything, any coins that you guys mentioned, Porsche and everything, something like that. I observe. Okay, I observe. I don't just fade you guys. Just the way you don't fade us, I don't fade the community. I don't fade you guys. Same thing. You help me, I help you. So yeah,
we appreciate that.
Thank you, bro. Bro, when you mean I buy 1,000 or 500, how much percent do you mean by that? 1, 2, 5. That's my big problem. By risk management. Oh, I can say 10%, 15%, 20%. Depends how much you want to risk. If you put 1%, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Depends on how much you want to lose. Mina, can you mute a bit?
Oh, my bad, bro.
Hello. Yeah. Oh, you want to ask a question?
Oh no.
Okay.
That's quick, bro. My bad.
Okay, cool. So it depends. If you ask me, risk management is just. Let me just turn the question here. Risk management is just how much are you willing to lose. If you ask me, from your whole entire portfolio, putting into something like Ponky, and you are willing to lose, like on Ponky, you are willing to lose 50% of your portfolio. You don't care because you have conviction. You don't care. So ape 50% of your portfolio into it. If you're willing to lose 2% of your whole portfolio in a newly launched meme coin, do you ape 2% from it? Depends on how much, how can I say it? I lose the word. How strict are you with your risk? I forgot. I really forgot the word. How lenient you are with risk management, and how risky you are. Like how are you willing to take the risk? So it really depends on the percentage. But of course, my advice is don't put more than 25% or 50% of your portfolio into memes or into one singular coin. Don't do that. That's a bad advice. Okay, that's a bad choice. Bro really cares. Oh, thank you, bro. Can you show how you track a wallet? I already have a video about it.
Hey, man, I'm Carlos from before. I just wanted to add something on this. Are you familiar with Selfie Guru?
Selfie Guru? I think I've heard about him on Twitter, right?
Yeah. So this is basically an answer to the question my man is doing. It's basically a bot. If you search about it, Selfie Guru, which is basically is showing you insider wallets and how much profit they made and how many trades they did and how successful they were. And basically, it's a very good bot, actually. And if you buy the subscription, I'm not sponsored or anything. I'm just thinking of buying it because it's actually a lot of value for its price. Basically, it gives you, when you pay, insider wallets that have insane win rates, that have like 60%, 70, 80, and they make good plays. So check it out if you're interested in tracking wallets.
Can you put it in the chat?
Yeah.
Thanks, bro. I'll check it out. Interesting. Yo, Robert Bao. I hear you, bro.
Okay.
Yep. You asking?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go on. What's your question?
Do you have it?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah.
This is funny, bro. I'm really sorry, but I cannot understand you. I really cannot understand you. If you have question, bro, if you have question, you can put it in the comments. All right, bro. I saw my man, Peter, bro.
Ah, shit, man, he left. I thought.
Yo.
Yeah, I mean, I thought he was some Chinese, but he's not.
No, it's fine. He can put it in the chat. Bro, how are you, man? How are you? Doing good?
Yeah, I'm alright. September sucks. Careful.
I guess from there you're getting a hit, huh? You're getting a hit.
No, yeah.
It's fine. It's the time of the month. You cannot have a good month every single time.
Well, basically, it's bad for every month, so.
Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. You need to check that.
October.
October is gonna be good. I hope so.
Yeah. Shit, man. How are you?
I'm doing fresh. I stay up, bro. I need to sleep later. But yeah, I'm very happy that we're about to reach 20K for the lab. I'm really happy.
Where is it now? Okay,
that's a milestone,
19,500. Oh shit! Come on.
That's a milestone, bro. Thank you so much, bro. You've been there from I don't know, from the earliest day.
Nah, shut up.
I remember you, bro.
No. Come on, man. So when you joined XC, how many subscribers were there in this group? I mean, members.
4,000, 5,000, around that price. I mean, around that subscriber, 4,000 to 5,000, or 5,000 to 6,000. Yeah, around that.
Bobby, baby, good.
So I can see people are like jumping into the lab. They love what I did. They love what XC did. So yeah, it's a good skill. We scale a lot, and I see people care. I see people come into it because we care about the community, and we really do. I really do. I really am.
I can just get this robot guy again.
Yeah. Let's just you can you speak Chinese, bro?
A little bit. I was there for like 6 months, so I know a bit.
Damn. Okay, Robert Bao, speak to Peter. I'm just gonna look into this wallet tracking there. Interesting, bro. Shout out to Carlos. Where is this guy? Shout out to Carlos. Hold up. shout out to Carlos. Carlos is like showing us a very interesting wallet tracking device here. Selfie Guru. Just right off the bat, I can see a very, very interesting market that Selfie Guru is holding. I'm gonna look more into this project, and I'm gonna share in the Telegram officially if I find this really helpful. Content work. Let me just save it here.
Where
hello Robert.
Where is it?
He posted in yeah, it's here. He's here in the chat.
Exit discussion. Okay.
All right.
This.
I'm just vibing with you guys, bro. I like this. There's a lot of charts.
So
if you guys have any question, come up ahead. I rather you guys ask question with the mic, ask analysis from the mic rather than put it in the chat, because going through hundreds of charts one by one is going to be super hard, bro. Super hard.
Robert, 你好.
Wow.
Shut up. 你好，你会说中文吗？
我是中文。
Bro, what kind of a fucking Chinese is this, bro?
I think that's Hokkien, something like that, right?
네.
Is that Korean, bro? I can speak Korean. 안녕하세요. 만나서 반갑습니다. 임란이라고 합니다.
Oh, there's this beautiful one sentence which is, I don't know, it's in the movies, like mostly in anime. It's something it's like some seducing stuff. I don't know, like I don't know.
What is it?
I don't know, like like that. I don't know.
What is? I don't even know what that means. But that shit sounds shady as fuck.
No, someone here doesn't know that, so I just want someone to come up and discard me with that. It's super famous.
I think I don't watch anime. Yeah, I don't watch anime. I watched Naruto back then, but yeah. Let me just go through a question here. How do you make most of your money? Through gambles or through high? Circle, my guy. Circle. Let me ask you this.
Circle.
Can you? Oh, Robert. Oh, you open your camera. What up, big boy? What up, man?
Make him admin. Make him admin.
你是中文吗, Robert?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is my community, bro. Robert, shout out to you, man.
Bro, Robert just got doxxed.
Robert just got doxxed. And this shit is recorded, bro. It's fine, Robert. Robert, if you have any question, bro, you can DM me. I'll answer it. I'll look into it. Maybe not straight away, but I'll answer it. Okay, you can just answer. You can just ask me in Chinese or Hokkien or stuff like that. I'll reply. I'll use Google Translate and I'll reply. I'll do my best to help you. Okay, so don't be pressured to speak English. Don't be pressured to ask in English. Just ask in your mother tongue. Just ask in your language. I'll try my best to understand and answer in your language. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay.
DM. Okay. Message. Yeah, message me. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, thank you, Robert. I'm gonna ask questions. What? I'm sorry, Robert, but I cannot hear you. I want to answer some question here. So let me just mute you for a while. You can raise your hand up. Bobby, where are you from? Actually, I'm from Malaysia, but I'm living in South Korea. I'm learning here. I'm studying here, so I can speak Korean. Okay, don't underestimate me. Don't underestimate me. I'm learning to speak Korean. 여러분들이 어디에서 왔어요? 아이고 진짜. How do you make most of your money? Through gambles, through high cap, long term plays. I make most of my money from swing and long term high cap, mid cap, 30 50 millions market cap and 100 million market cap, around that price. I don't gamble because that's how I lose money. Personally, I don't know if you guys can gamble. I don't gamble because I know I can lose money. So that's my answer to that. Okay. Majority, like 90%, 95% of my money is from long-term plays. Yo, bro, what do you think about Jito Mavbot? I don't have any thoughts on that because I don't know about Mav a lot, for real. Besides that, it sometimes mess up with my entry point. That's all I know about Mavbot. I don't know much. I'm really sorry. But shout out if any of you know about Jito Mavbot, please give a PM about Smacky D. Carl. Maybe you guys can chat about it. You do futures, I don't. Again, that's how I lose money. I don't do futures. I did it before, and I'm bad. I just accept the fact I'm bad. I'm bad at it. So yeah, I don't do futures.
Okay, for all those who are waiting for Hamster Combat listing, hands up.
What?
Hamster Combat.
Robert. Hamster Combat.
Everyone is waiting for that bullshit.
The tap coin.
Oh yeah, the tap coin, the first one.
Okay, here's my thought on it. Do you guys know Notcoin? Notcoin, NOT, Notcoin. Hamster is just a derivative of Notcoin, so you cannot expect much from a derivative play. No matter how big they are still derivative. They are still second. Okay, of course, second can be the best, of course, but they're just too much hype, too much focus, too much volume that somehow it's not gonna be reaching people expectation. Okay, so when I hear Hamster Combat is making releasing stuff like that, I do it for a while to support my friends. But then when I look at, oh shit, it's the same thing as Notcoin, doing this, doing that, then you're getting airdrop, and they're like derivative because Notcoin is official Telegram coin, meme coin, Telegram meme official, like the official one. They're being supported by Telegram. Hamster Combat is just another third party that came into Telegram. They might give airdrop $10, $20, something like that, but it doesn't worth the time. And that's just my thought on it. And you guys can wait however long you want. I rather you guys have your focus shift into somewhere else instead of into Hamster Combat. That's just my opinion on it. I can be wrong. Maybe Hamster Combat can cook, and I miss out on it. I don't mind at all. Okay, I'm at peace with that. That's just my thought. Okay, and Notcoin is looking good. Shout out. So
my take on Hamster Combat is that they have got a beautiful mastermind game plan, but it's like too many people in it. So just expecting you to get like $1,000 for how much ever that you have for the profit, it's not possible for that many people having $1,000.
You're gonna get $50.
No.
Yeah. Because the ones that are going to get 1,000 and above is influencers, the one that are using their link, referral link.
Yeah. So my take on that is, whenever that listing happens, just sell it. Don't wait for it to cook up someday and just wait for that to just go up. They have got a big, huge community. That is true, but I don't know if they will just value the community, the big, huge amount of like the people joining the community. I don't really think that they will just take those people into consideration. They will just take their profits and just walk away. Exactly, we don't know who the dev is. who the people behind this thing is.
Hello,
We don't
hello,
know about
hello.
that thing.
Maybe I have question. Hello.
Thank you for that, bro. Thank you for that.
Mm-hmm.
Peter is goat.
Hello, bro.
Oh shit!
Tell me about
Murad just posted something, bro. God damn! Oh shit! Wait.
What are you searching?
Yeah, it's pumping. Murad have his thing. Okay, this is Murad. Okay, he posted his top tier list of meme coin, and this is his final coin. The first one is SPX, target 100 billion. My God, this guy. But yeah, right now it's pumping. You can look what he likes, and a bunch of the thing I don't agree with, which is USA. I don't agree with that. Mini have potential, but 2 billion, no. Lock in 3 billion, I don't think so. Retardio, good, I like, but I don't think it's gonna reach 19 billion. GigaChat, yes, good. I like that. Bitcoin, yes, have potential. Popcat, true. Apu, no. I don't believe in this at all. It's like derivative of Pepe. Besides that, Borg, yes, have potential. SPX, 100 billion? Nah, I don't think so. Nonsense. But yeah, that's my take on it. You can say whatever you want. Okay.
Looking insane.
Yeah. How long? Mm-hmm.
It's insane right now.
Come again?
I'm just saying that the podcast chart right now is looking insane. Like, it's clear that there will be a pump.
Yeah, it's clear it's gonna be a pump. True. Double bottom and everything, like it's intact. I already have this line already made up from before, and it's looking good. It's looking like this is a 3-day chart. Okay, this is a daily chart. I look at 3-day chart because I want to see a clean chart pattern. See, it's looking good. Amazing. But yeah, I don't ape into everything. So I think it's been a few hours now. If you guys have any question.
A good friend has got some. He was trying to talk to you.
Hello, bro.
Who? Oh, good friend. Yeah. I'm listening, bro.
Bro, I don't know, bro, how meme coins work, bro. In Forex, technical analysis work. How meme coin works?
How meme coin works? Okay, so brother Gufran here is trading Forex, and I personally trade Forex before. If you guys want to see, I trade Forex.
Bro, I mean, in Forex, we use technical analysis, means charts.
Yeah. I'm getting there.
Work?
So,
it does
meme
not
coin
technical analysis.
It does, to be honest, it does. Because why? Because I do it.
I'm not understanding how. Explain, please.
Okay, you know why? You know why it's hard to work? Because the volatility is super high compared to Forex. Forex is a regulated market. Memes are on decentralized exchange. Your mom can come into this tomorrow and buy and dump on your head. That's how volatile meme coin is. So that's why it's super hard to do technical analysis. And even if something happens, for example, let me show you this. And I know. You see, this is a support. But then look at what happened. It's like dumping down below and just touching a very low demand here. And some people are even waiting at this lower demand. But it is super volatile, and this is what happened in meme coin market. You cannot trade it personally pure on technical analysis. You need to know about the project. That's my tip that I can give to you. Okay?
Yeah.
For example, you cannot just trade memes that have been launched like October, stuff like that. You cannot just trade it like that. You must look into the project like, oh, Giga, established project. Okay, now you can do it. Now you do your technical analysis. Okay? Know about the project.
Bro, one more question. How you find these projects like strong team, etc.?
Good question. I have my answers on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel. Okay, I want you to look at this video. Top buy strategies. That's the first. Second, this one. Find the next 100x long-term potential. It will answer your question. You ask me how I find my project. This is how I find it. Okay?
Bro, one last question. Tell me about
Yes.
Matcoin VIP. I'm holding Matcoin.
Yeah, I've heard about it. By the way, shout out to Giga, bro. I'm looking a very bullish pattern on Giga here. Looking this for this breakout. Similar play. Now let's look at into Matcoin. Matt. I think I know about this coin because I saw.
No. MAD only.
Because I saw the animation on it, sitting on 13 million market cap.
The team is very strong and pushing hardly.
Yeah, I know because I know the what is it called again? The animation. The animation is top tier on this. Let's look. Okay, because I know the team is very good, but again, I want it to reflect on the chart. I want it to reflect on the chart. So personally, what I'm seeing right now is, of course, a period of retracement after a big pump. Now, the bigger the pump, the bigger the retrace, of course. Now, just based on chart, this is a very bullish pattern here. You can see how chart is very neglect to go down, and now it's starting to form something that I always repeatedly said. It started to form a sideways formation. You can see it right away if MAD starts to hold this first this high here. This is the first high. This is the first low. Okay, we're looking at this range here. We're looking at this range. And another one is Another one is this resistance. There is a resistance here. You see this price. You know technical analysis, right? You see price is being rejected here, and then it goes down. Now it's being rejected once again at this level. I know you know technical analysis. I was informed Forex too. So you see the pattern plays out. It plays well, but you cannot just trade it like Forex because it doesn't have much volume compared to Forex market. That's why it's super volatile. Like it's super not volatile. It's super low liquidity. So now what I want to see on MAT is it might retest this range high and then starts to consolidate once again. Then a breakout might happen someday. I don't know when. Then it will start to go another base here. Then a breakout. So you can see how it might play out, a possible how it will play out. By range. May go here, start to consolidate, break out, another consolidate, and then you will get a full base formation before the next leg. Something like that on MAD, I can see. You good?
Yeah, I got it, bro.
All right, nice. What is it again? Giga, bro. Giga is so bullish. What's more? Okay. Let me just answer a few questions more. What do you think of top? I already said about top G there. I think it's bullish, consolidating. Resilience. Oh yeah, I know you, bro. Okay. Some of you asked about top G. Let me just do it once again for you guys. It's bullish. It's having a very bullish consolidation, and I heard the team is having the dev is reaching Bucharest, stuff like that. So this is my analysis. After a period of coming down, like 90% from the highs, I want to see accumulation, and it's doing it right now. It's bullish. It's doing it right now. So there's two ways it can play out. It can shake you out, go below the trend line here, and rip up on your face. Or it can start consolidating, getting tighter, and then break out. Okay. And another thing I want to add is I don't want to see this low getting break. This low here. Yeah, I don't want to see this low getting like break. That's just it. That's just my analysis on there. For top G.
Yo, quick question.
Mina, yeah, bro. What up?
Yeah, okay, so I'm playing around on putting on red lines and like some charts, and sometimes it goes aligned with it, sometimes it doesn't. I just want to know, when do you know, or how do you just play trend lines, like how you do in Top G 1500, right? Like, what makes you think of, oh, I placed this trend line like this, so the resistance is here. Like, maybe the question is unclear. Just the line put it. How do you how does it comprehend in your mind on where to put it?
Okay, so you were asking me how to do technical analysis, or you're asking me like how do I do it in meme coin, because sometimes it doesn't work.
Technical analysis, basically.
How I do technical analysis. So technically, how I do technical analysis is, of course, I learned how to do technical analysis. If I don't mind asking, if you don't mind me asking, like, do you have any experience in trading?
Honestly, my only trading I have done was meme coins, man. I'm not gonna lie.
How long has it been?
Yo, when I joined you guys, I did it a month before, so like 5 months now. Like
5 months. Okay, cool. Okay, cool.
Months I've been learning, but the two first months I've just been losing, but the past 3 months I've just been learning.
Okay, so what you need is right now is education. What I can suggest to you is, bro, watch this video. I personally learned from this video about technical analysis. I cannot answer everything about technical analysis because that's just it. I learned technical analysis from like 6 years ago. I learned technical analysis. Where is this guy? Wait, what? Where is this guy? Is it? I learned it from Forex. Okay, first is this guy here. Shout out to Renatio. How do I share it? How do I share this? How do I share this playlist? Let me just share this video first. Yeah, let me share this video. So, Mina. I don't know where I just posted here. So one is this video, and another one, why I cannot find it, I don't know. Let me just check with this one, YouTube. There is this one video that is really, really helpful, and I share it with everyone else. Analysis for beginners. Wait, what? Where is this guy? Oh yeah, this guy. The trading channel. Playlist. Forex. Structure base. I don't know where the video is at. The only technical analysis video. This one. Oh shit. Yeah. This one. Share this one. I really recommend you guys to watch this. Look at that. Like 23 million people are watching it because it's super useful, bro. So yeah, learn from this. Bam. There you go.
Would you think if I'll send you some charts where I did some technical analysis on it, and you just tell me like my mistakes and stuff like that?
Oh yeah. I don't mind doing that. But I might not reply like directly. Okay, so you can just send like past chart that you learn, and you want to do analysis, and I can show you like bro, this might be bad. I can do this instead of doing this. I can guide you a bit, but I'm busy to do personally on that, because if I do that, I will just focus on you and I cannot do my work. So I will reply to you, but it's gonna be a bit late. Maybe not directly in one day, maybe not directly in like 1 hour stuff. But I'll help. Okay.
All right, perfect. Thank you, man. And one more question though. What do you think is going to happen with Kate's route right now?
Kate?
Yeah.
Kate. Okay. So my view on Kate right now, now right off the bat, I'm seeing a big sell-off candle, but it doesn't look back at all because I see a very strong support here. So
Okay.
just as I saw back then around this price, I saw the sell off and I'm like, that's why I don't sell here. I sell like here and I sell here. So as long as the low doesn't break, it still looks good. If the low starts to break, it's coming down. It's going to start coming down. Otherwise, anyhow, it will start coming down. If it starts to come down, I can see it will come down to this area here.
Okay. And in these moments, when it goes up, like in the moments where you're unsure that it's gonna go down the sell-off, because right now I'm still holding from when I bought 5.2.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, like I'm doing a really risky game on holding or not. What would you recommend doing?
So have you taken your profit yet?
Not gonna lie, no.
Now you know my answer.
Seeing your face, I'm gonna take my profit. All right.
You know my answer. So when you said to me you are in a risky place because you're holding, are you managing your risk? No, because you said you're in a risky place. If you know you're in a risky place, take off the risk. What is the risk here? Losing money. Take off some money. Ta-da! It's a very simple question, but people. This is the thing about human psychology in the market. We have greed. I keep on saying this again and again and again and again and again. Maybe because I'm here like so many years and I'm already used to it. And it keeps on repeating. The moment you get greedy, you're going to be wrong. You're going to be wrong. The market is going to humble you in your face. So what you want to be here is be conservative with the market. Because why? Because why you want to hold Kate? Oh shit, it's gonna go into the 10x from here. Of course, let it be, bro. Let it be. So, but the thing is, it's gonna be egoistic to say, then how you're gonna take the opportunity? Yes, manage your risk. If you say your risk is losing money, take some of the money that you're not willing to lose. Take some of the profit that you're not willing to lose. Otherwise, you'll just be greedy to either have it all or lose it all. And if you have that have it all or lose it all mindset in trading, you're not going to make it. I tell you, you're not going to make it. Because why? Because even in crypto market, people that buy Bitcoin at $60,000 back in 2021, right now is sitting in a loss. After 3 years. After 3 freaking years. So you don't want to do that. You don't want to go through this period. Manage your risk. And some people that are buying Bitcoin around this price, there's two types of people. People that buy Bitcoin around this price, right now, they're depressed. And second, people that are buying Bitcoin at this price, they're happy. Because why? Because they bought more. And they're happy. Like, they don't care. Because they manage their risk. Because why? They're living their life. Even they buy Bitcoin here, they have money for other things. See, that's the good people. That's what you do with investing. Even in the crypto market, even the stock market. So manage your risk, manage your... right now, it's not about managing your risk. It's about managing your greed right now. Managing your greed. So what you see, okay, I'm up from 5 million. So I'm up roughly around 4x, right? Roughly on 5x. Take 20% off, bro. Take 30% off. It's not about having it all or lose it all. It's about how you gain the money from profits and how you manage your or lose little amount when you lose.
That's I still have this.
Yeah,
like thinking, oh, I could have more. I could have more. I could have more. Like I was gonna say, like greed is like a hell of a motherfucker.
It's all in the mind, bro. It's all in the mind.
You guys have a whole video about risk management, no?
Nah, not yet. I'm not releasing it yet.
Okay.
I have a plan.
I've seen a lot of notes from you guys talking about risk management.
Yeah, you can search in the group, Telegram group about risk management. I post a lot. I post few. Not a lot.
You post a lot.
Yeah, a lot.
One thing I appreciate. One thing I could say also, I appreciate how you post a lot about how to say Mental health, we could say.
Reminders.
Yeah, reminders of like taking care of yourself also.
Yeah. We tend to do that a lot because we've been in this space for quite some time. So for new people, you guys need guidance, and we appreciate that we can do that for you guys. We're all there. So yeah, take care, bro. And
Yeah,
listen
thank you,
to
bro.
the advice.
Cashing out 25% now.
Good. You're in profit, bro. I love it. That's a good shit. XC dropping gems. Okay, guys. It's been 3 hours now. It's been 2.5 hours. I'm getting a bit exhausted here. I'm just gonna have 5 more minutes. If you guys have any question, put it right away in the comment or ask me, and then maybe 1 or 2 more questions, and then I'm gonna be done. I'm really sorry that I cannot go through all the charts, but I will try my best to provide on the other day too. Okay. Right now, there's like 34 of you still here. Shout out to you guys. I'm looking tired as hell, bro. Look at me. I look like shit. Don't end yourself, he meant. Yeah, exactly. You should rest now. It's been an excellent session. I love to chat, bro. I'm an extrovert. So yeah, if you guys have any question, ask, and you shall receive some advice. I hope I can give. If I cannot give advice, I'll be honest. For example, like that guy asked about Jito Mathbot. I don't know about tech shit, bro. So, but if I know, I'll answer. But if I don't, I'll help you to find someone that can answer something. Some great advice. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I shout out to Carlos, bro. Shout out to Carlos and somebody got Mina, if I'm not mistaken, that are like loving the community and everything, bro. You guys are like the gems.
Yeah,
you think
bro,
CZ coins will go up? Yeah, go front, brother. Yeah.
Bro, what about Land Wolf, bro?
Oh,
okay.
I already said. Yeah, I already said about Land Wolf before, and someone asked about Land Wolf. So my take, I'm already sitting in a loss in Land Wolf. My take is I don't want a DCA because I don't like the chart, but it can go up. It can go up just based on the team. It's all based on the team. I'm sitting in a loss, 80% in a loss, negative 80%. So that's just me, and some of the people are in it too. My take on it is I just let it on the team because that's the money that I prefer to lose. I don't care about losing, so that's just it. I have other money so somewhere else. That's just my take on it. So I just leave it. So the team, do it yourself. Whatever it is, if it's gonna come back, good. I have my money back. I'm in profit. But if it just die, bro, then it is what it is. Moving on. I don't tend to be overwhelmed with loss. I don't do that. You think CZ Coin will go up once he got? Yeah.
Will it die, bro?
I personally don't think so, but it still have a chance to die. Yeah.
No, bro. In yesterday, means recent chat, you have sent a bottom. I have entered that. Just see the chat, please. One time.
Yeah. Search. Wolf. Land Wolf. Here's the chart, bro.
Yeah, bro. This bottom.
Yeah. Like I said, I already said earlier. I already said about Land Wolf. You saw already commented about it. I do think it might bottom around this price, but I need the chart to show it to me that it's already bottom. I need more price action here. Okay, I need to see action. I need to see volume coming in. I need to see some action. It's already down like super a lot. This is a big sell-off. Okay, this is like jitters. Okay, see, people sell in a loss. Even they're in a loss, they're still selling. So that's a bad community. I don't like the community at all. See, like for example, this is a support, bro. Yeah. People are selling at support. That's a bad community. So I don't like it. That's why I don't DCA. And if it goes back up, like good shit. I have my money back.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep, welcome. So yeah, maybe last 1 or 2 question. You think CZ Coin will go up once he got realized out of prison? It might get a hype. Yeah, there's gonna be a hype, of course. Shit, my speaker is not working. Sally, bro, get your speaker to work. Look, Belmont chilling Landwolf. I don't think it will die so easily. Yeah, that's why I said it has potential. So that's why I see it starts to bottom out around this price. But still, anything can go wrong. Good night, thanks. No problem. All right. I think that's just it for today. And I think that's gonna be it for today.
Thank you very much, man.
Carlos, bro, thanks to you, bro. You're making me smile, to be honest.
I just want to say one last thing, that something that isn't talked about enough in the community is the fact that people don't realize that making quick profits in a day, like 10x, 15x, like obviously you're happy about it. You made a shit ton of money with no work. But what people don't really understand is that it can really fuck up your understanding of reality and money. And it can actually make you depressed and not be able to function in your real life because you have this false perception of money. And when you get used to something like making quick profits, then you can see a play like Giga or Popcat, which is a sure 100% raise in the next months, and you're like, yeah, I don't give a fuck about it. Let me find the next new token that is going to make a 10x. And after that, you're not a trader, you're a gambler, you're addicted. This is what people need to remind themselves.
My God, Carlos is hitting the spot. Bunch of you here are gonna get hurt by his word, but that's true, bro. That's true. Your perception of gains are fucked up. Your dopamine are being fired. Because why? Because you get that 10x, and now if you see 50%, you're like, shit, 50%, bro? I want 50x, not 50%. Like, yo, bro, some people in this world, in the stock market, like the richest people, even the like normal people, getting 50%, bro, is huge. But now people in crypto, they're like,
before
bro,
crypto
50%,
traders,
nah.
Before crypto traders would do 10% and they'd go crazy. Crazy.
Yeah.
It would be insane.
Yeah, bro.
And now it's nothing.
And 10% in a week, bro, 10% in a week, bro, that's huge. Now, bro, they don't even appreciate percentage, bro. They're like, 10x or nah? Gambling shit. Thank you, bro. Like, Carlos, you're doing some good shit to the community. Listen to that, bro. Listen to that. Someone asked me how much I lose in crypto. Here's the thing about me. Here's the fact about me. I started trading back when I was 16 years old, 16 years old. Yeah. When I was young, I started trading, and when I get into something, I am very curious. Bro, I'm like, what is that? How do I do that correctly? And I don't just jump into trading. I go into YouTube, bro. I digest all the content that I can. Like every fucking shit. And then from trading stock market, from trading my local stock market, when I trade stock market, okay, I try to learn how to manage risk, because before, when I trade stock market, I lose like $100 or $200, and then I felt like shit, because I was a kid and I felt like shit. I was like 15 years old losing money in the stock market, 16 years old losing money, and it's like, bro, this shit is bad. But because I know, when I put money in stock market, I saw some of the videos, they said, if you put money in the stock market, you can lose it, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, okay, let's not start with 10,000. Let's start with $100. Then I put $100 and I burn it. Then I put $200 and I burn it. And I was like, oh shit, this is real. So I take that perspective. Now, when I get into crypto in 2020, 2021, I already have a background of trading. And I know losing money is real. So, to answer your question, my specific answer is, I don't lose much. I round trip most of my gains back in 2022. Yeah, that sucks. That's my first cycle. I mostly round trip, because why? Because I trade quite a lot. But yeah, still, I'm still up. I'm still in profit. I'm more than 10x. I was able to get like 50x, but I round trip back to 8x or 10x from my original portfolio. But good shit, I still up. So if you ask me how much I lose in crypto, I do lose like maybe 10,000, but I make it back up. I make it back. Yeah. But if you want the amount that I lose, 10, 15, I don't lose that like 100,000 like crazy people, because I try to manage my risk. Good night, bro. Love you, Zane. God bless you. Thank you, bro. God bless you too. Look forward to the next live. Thank you. Hey, Bobby, can you look at Stacy one last? Okay, bro. For you, bro. For you, bro. It's fine. What is this? Giga Stacy. It's a Giga girl. Oh, Giga girl. Okay. So from what I'm seeing right now, it's 1 base, 2 base, 3 base. Okay, good. Already been up few X now. I can see it can touch the trend line. It can goes down and like touch the trend line here. And what some of the thing that I did, that I personally do sometimes, that I take like Fibonacci sometimes, not a lot, and just find out like okay, good proper amount to like, oh, okay, this is a good area, this is a good area, something like that. But I don't use it often because I look at price action, and I can see a good support around this price. This is a support. Yeah, don't deny it. This is support. So you want to see price maintain that level. Okay, it can maintain that level. Can touch that. Start going up back. A good base. But if it starts cracking down, going down, crack down, I can see levels like maybe around here. This is a good demand before the price starts to go high. See, from this base, this is a good demand. That's all I can say. Okay, good shit. Thanks, bro. Thanks. No worries. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yo, Bobby.
Love. Yo, hold up. I don't see you. Who's that? Peter,
It's me.
Mina? Who's that? Mina. Okay, bro. What up?
Okay, so you said base 1, base 2, base 3. Like, there's 3 bases. What's a base? Like, would you be able to explain that real quick? Or is that in the watch that you recommend to me?
Let me just show you this. Base in I forgot. Wait. Mark Minervini base. Something like this. Base 1, base 2, base 3, base 4. It's just a period of consolidation in the market. The more it have, meaning the mature the move is. If the move is mature, the high likely is reaching the top.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, something like this. Okay. Again, I don't develop this. I learn. So this is my mentor. I learn from his book, Mark Minervini, and I learned VCP, volatility contraction pattern, from him. This was back like 3 years ago, 4 years, 5 years ago, 4 years ago when I learned about like trading stock market. So that's just my education background. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right. So I think with that, I'm just gonna end it. Thanks for joining. Let me just end my message here. Thanks for joining, guys. Love the community a lot.
Base chat.
Hazelwood, hi. To the next VC. Let me know what you think about
base chat.
Base chat? What's that? What does that mean? Oh, base chat. Ah, okay. Down below. All right. With that, I'm gonna end the session. Thank you so much for joining. I appreciate all of you guys. Shout out to Hazelwood, Mina, Peter, bro. Shout out to you, Carlos, Gufran, Art, Titcoin, you brother, Danko, Ardias, my bro. What up? Shout out to you. This is one of my closest brother. Like, he helped me a lot to grow. Shout out to him, bro. Shout out to him. I respect. I grow a lot because of him too, because of his help. So Ardias, he's my guy. Chandras, I see him every fucking day. He said good morning to me every day. Shout out to this guy. Resilient, I know you Nelson, I saw you. So yeah, thank you for joining. So let me just post this, and I'm just gonna say goodbye for now. I'm gonna end live stream. That's all from Bobby. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.